May
Yes.
item number 5 and 11 of court number 18 may kindly be adjourned for the day, my lord.
Yes, yes. You give the slip to the court master. You give it. 5, 11. 5 and 11.
Yes.
Court master. Take down the note.
Obliged.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? It's a bit lordship, in item number 46, we have filed an additional affidavit. Lordship, it's a affidavit may be called for lordship. Item number 46,
46.
lordship. Today we have filed an additional affidavit, lordship.
46. Call for the affidavit.
May I please, your lordship? I'd like to mention item number 48, my lord.
Huh?
48, my lord.
48. Yes.
Diary has not been received, my lord.
Huh?
Case diary has not been received.
No, whatever case there is not received, you give the numbers to the court master.
That's it.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, lordship. Lordship, today is some difficulty, lordship.
Yes. Item 20 at the request of Mr. Swain, matter stand in jail for 1 week.
The date may be fixed, lordship, 12 or 13, lordship.
Fix a date next after 1 week. 16. 16.
Obliged.
On bail application, tomorrow.
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 May please your lordship, lordship, I beg to mention for listing of the matter. Lordship, the matter relates to the 125 CRPC. Lordship, an order has already.
Have you filed?
Yes, lordship, yesterday we have filed the matter.
Okay. Listed on Friday.
Yes, lordship.
Friday.
Friday on 13th.
13. Yes.
Yes, yes. Much obliged.
I beg to mention item number 34. Kindly pass out for the day or two.
Item 34 passed over at the request of MS so and so. Yes.
DRI.
May please, I beg to mention item number 65 of the daily list. Kindly this matter may be adjourned for the day and may be taken on the next day, Your Lordship.
Item 65 adjourned for the day at the request of
Mr. S.A. Borboy.
S.A. Borboy.
A date may be fixed, Your Honor, in that.
No, we can't fix a date. It's already fixed today. It
Lordship,
gets adjourned for the day. You make a mention for fixing a date.
deeply observed.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14.
1-4.
1-4, my lord. The matter may be adjourned for today, my lord. And
Item 14 adjourned for the day.
my lord,
At the
matter
request
may
of
be
Mr.
fixed on 17th if possible.
And?
A date may be fixed, my lord.
A date we cannot fix. It will come automatically.
My lord, after 1 week.
Yeah, after 1 week. After 1 week. Yes.
May I please your lordship, the concern of the other side, I beg to mention item number 66 of today's petition.
66.
So
Yes.
matter may adjourn for today and take up after puja vacation, lordship.
Then it is not adjourned for today. You want it adjourned after the vacation.
Today.
Yes, adjourned for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks at the request of
I say.
I who said, Learned Counsel for the petition. Yes.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 63 of the daily list of court number
Item
63. Lordship, I pray lordship to kindly adjourn the matter for the with a concern.
63 adjourned at the request of MS so and so. What
Lordship,
is your name?
Valentina Villavino Tandi.
MS Valentina.
Lordship, we kindly fix the date like after puja break.
See, fixed matters, if you make a mention, it's difficult to fix a date. It's already fixed today. So we are adjourning it at your request. If you want a date fixed, you make a mention and then get a date fixed. All right, it's adjourned for 2 weeks,
Lordship, can it be after 3 weeks?
3 weeks already.
Yes, Lordship.
3 weeks, after 3 weeks, yes.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 62 of court number 18.
62,
Yes, your lordship.
yes.
The matter will be fixed after vacation.
Matter adjourned after vacation. Yes.
My lord, with all respect, my lord, bail application, my lord, we filed it on 25/9 because of I do not know, my lord, why it doesn't come, my lord. If possible, my lord, only case diary, my lord, will take that much of time. Can it come today, my lord?
Today?
My lord, okay, only case diary, my lord, nothing about.
No, but we don't know why it has not come.
But we'll do the needful, my lord, if any corrections are needed.
All right.
My lord. 2 applications, my lord, same case, my lord.
2 applications.
2 applications.
You
same
mentioned
case.
1 application.
No, I'm sorry, my lord. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it, my lord. Obliged.
Yes, all right.
I have a lordship. Item
But you
number-
have to submit an mention memo. Please submit a mention memo.
I have a lordship. Item number 8. Commissioner has filed by the state lordship.
Item,
8.
yes.
We are praying for adjournment for today.
Item 8 and 9, both
8
are
and 9.
connected.
Yes,
Would-
Lordship, Lordship, item number 8, Lordship, we are just,
Item 8 and 9 is the request of Mr.
DP Goswami.
DP
DP Goswami.
Goswami, additional PP. Stands adjourned.
Lordship,
For 2 weeks.
on item number 8, Lordship, we are the sole respondent, Lordship.
MS Dekaroja appears for the respondent. Led by Mr. Mannan,
Yes, Lordship.
appears for the respondent.
Much
In item number 8. In 9,
And 9, Lordship, we are the petitioner, Lordship.
in item number 8, respondent, in 9, they are the petitioners. Yes.
Much appreciated.
My only diary, my lord, can it be on 18th, my lord? 302 is there, my lord.
All right. Call for CD.
On 18th, my
Heard Mr. So it's coming from
lord. Bilasi Para, my lord.
Dhubri. When can you get it?
18 or
18. All right. Please
I'm-
on 18 for CD.
I'm
CD
upset.
and
PM
Medical.
report.
PM report.
PM report.
PM report. CD along with PM report.
I'm obliged.
If this may have taken after some time.
There's no after some time. It comes day after if you want. Day after.
No, but kindly respect. If the Isara Chaudhary lakes another.
Uh-uh.
That's for timing. Isara Chaudhary's lake another.
We'll call for CD. This is a bail petition only.
Lordship.
Lordship, this is child marriage.
Huh?
Child marriage.
Child marriage. So we'll
Yes.
call for a CD.
Lordship, that's
South
what-
Salmara.
Last for timing is coming.
What is this timing? We can't have a timing like this.
Call for a Syrian.
All right, timing.
Right.
But it will be after the end of the list. Timing matters will be called up after end of this part 1 list. After end of the list. Yes, yes. CD,
CD absolutely, your lordship, but the notice has to be go to the informant. So as per the division bench judgment, your lordship, that it has to be rotated through officer in charge of the concerned police station.
which judgment?
And this is division bench.
Heard, Mr. Dr. Learned Senior Counsel assisted by Mr. S. Chaudhary. Deka. This is a bail petition preferred by the petitioner who was arrested in connection with Tinsukia PS case number so and so read with POXO with added sections of 376 IPC, section 6 POXO and section 14 child labor prohibition. Call for the CD along with medical. Notice on respondent number 2 be issued through the officer in charge of
Tinsukia
Tinsukia.
police station.
Tinsukia?
Police station.
Tinsukia PS.
Yes.
Tinsukia PS. Matter we listed after receipt of CD and service of notice on respondent 2.
Date may be fixed before vacation, your lordship. 59 days, your lordship.
18th?
18, lordship.
List on 18th.
Get obliged.
Right, please, your lordship. Lordship, for 39 bail application, lordship, 30 days, lordship, intermediate quantity, lordship, only 68.07 gram,
Call for CD.
lordship, before vacation, lordship.
Before vacation 18,
Yes, lord.
call for CD. Along with
FSL report.
FSL report.
Highly obliged,
List on 18th.
highly obliged.
This is charge sheeted case, Lordship. Lordship may call for the
Call for scan copy.
scan copy of the CS and notices to go, Lordship, because
Of-
also is there.
Special POXO case 131, 2021. pending before special judge, come additional session judge, Poxo Borpeta. Let notice be issued on respondent to the OC Borpeta. Through the Borpeta PS.
Tarabari.
Tarabari
Tarabari P.
PS.
Yes.
Through the OC, through the Tarabari PS. Matter be listed after receipt of
Lordship, let it be after vacation. So that notice will be started.
scan copies. Matter be listed on
7, Lordship. 7 November.
7th of November. Yes.
The grievance raised in this application is that extension of investigation was allowed without following the proper procedure. Lawsuit can come to impugn order.
Yes.
Lawsuit will find impugn order
22-8.
22-8 here.
Yes.
827.
Yes.
I will assign some ground of taking more time for investigation. And also, learned PP have to give an individual opinion in respect of the grounds assigned by the public prosecutor, which was missing in the order impugned passed by the special judge, Procedural. We have argued the matter, but the CD materials were found and the application was rejected. But the ground of extension is not being properly explained because learned PP, the person has to be recorded because it is not a investigating agency, but he has to give a remark on the basis of the ground assigned by the IU. Some individual opinion has to be there. That was missed. And in that regard, the petitioner is relying on one judgment. That was lawsuit. That was also annexed to this application. Lawsuit will find the relevant portion. Para 8, page 9, and that was Hitendra Vishnu Thakur and others versus State of Maharashtra. Para number 23 emphasized.
Some of the other persons were allowed. Enlarged on bail. How many persons? How many persons are here?
In this application, only one.
Only
petition,
one.
Only one.
Sosti Loskor.
So still, it's a petition.
Yes, what do you say?
At least there's also call for a record.
All right, heard. Learned counsel for the parties. Call for scan copy of the call for the CD. This matter is still under investigation.
Still under.
Under investigation.
Yes.
We call for the CD in connection with so and so PS case. You have already completed 90 days.
90%. Yes, already complete.
No, let us hear it on a short date. The list on 18th. Can you get it on 18th?
Not
18th.
18. Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Yes.
My lord, this is a petition for quashing the FIR. But whatever, my wife, we got married 3 years ago. We are blessed with a child also, my lord. I am serving at Bombay, my lord, in a Punjab and Shield Bank. My wife is serving at Hailakandi. My lord, what happened? There was a problem has created in my family. She was staying with my mother-in-law, my mother and father. Well, then she filed a case against the entire family, including me, my lord, alleging that on 23, there was a torture upon her. But my lord, on that day, I was in the flight. I have annexed the ticket also, my lord. The 498A, my lord, we are hopeful that it will be settled between us ultimately because it is a stripling matter And I will take her back to my Bombay, my lord. I will not keep her there also. But problem is that she is serving. She did not like to give up the job also. So, my lord, what I pray, my lord, in the petition, my lord, your lordship will find there is only one day incident, my lord, 27/6/23, page 55, my lord, kindly see. And another thing is why I have challenged, my lord. Initially, it was filed as a seizure case and taken it to the police station as per order of the learned magistrate of Hailakandi. But as per our judgment of our own High Court, as per the judgment of the Apex Court, Apex Court and judgment of our own High Court, Torun Sharma and Priyanka Srivastava of the Apex Court, that sending of under 156(3) cannot be permitted, madam, unless learned magistrate calls an inquiry. In this case, it has, that's why I am challenging the madam. Our own High Court judgment, latest order, madam, I got madam in this. Abdulaziz Tapadar, Honorable High Court has stayed the proceeding, madam, in a similar case, madam. I have got all the judgment I want to place before your office. Kindly issue notice and further proceeding with state, madam.
You show us the judgment?
Yes, I am giving, madam.
Yes, what do you say, AVP?
Issue notice. Arwa.
He's praying for a stay.
Lordship. At this stage only not. Till reasonable day, my lord, by this time we hope we will settle the matter, our own dispute.
Why stay it? Why stay?
Otherwise, my lord, I am working. If I am arrested, my lord, but there will be a problem for me. I may put under suspension, my lord.
Our learned counsel for the parties. This criminal petition is directed against quashing of the FIR dated 1/10/2023, being Panchkaram Police Station case number 88 of 2023 under section 498 capital A of the IPC. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Steps on respondent 1 by registered post AD. Mr. Goswami appears, a learned APP appears for the state, who accepts notice, therefore notices are waived. Call for a report from the concerned police station. Till the next returnable date, no coercive action against the petitioner. We are not staying the proceedings. We are saying no coercive action. Till the next date
Proceedings
fixed.
may also be state, my lord.
No. Let us see what comes out of it.
Coercive, they may not arrest me.
But
That bail matter we have already filed, my lord.
Huh?
Bail matter we have already filed, my lord.
oh, you have already filed.
Bail
Then
matter.
what? Then
That's why we want.
then we'll only issue notice. We'll consider your stay prayer after
My lord,
perusal of the.
we pray the judgment passed by Honorable High Court, my lord.
No, correct.
So
That's
many
not a
cases.
judgment. It's a
In the
notice.
next stage, it was
It's a
state, my lord.
notice issued. Allow us to have that
My lord, that's
satisfaction.
a till returnable date, maybe further proceeding may state, my lord.
No.
Till, we both will come before your lordship, husband and wife.
No,
we'll
what-
come
what is the? Why do you have to come before us?
No, we'll show us that our bona fide is, my lord. Bona fide. Kindly further proceed.
All right, till the next date fixed,
Yes,
further
done.
proceeding is state.
Diploma.
Yeah, please, your lordship. 438 application, lordship. FIR page, lordship, 28, page 28, lordship, page 28A, lordship, annex 2. May I read, lordship?
Please.
Sir, with due respect and humble submission, I want to inform you that today on 18/9/23 at about 12:05 a.m., information received over phone from reliable source, the truck bearing registration number so and so loaded with stolen cattle is going towards Meghalaya via Sonapur police jurisdiction. I, along with SIUB Bhupender Rawat and police team of Sonapur PS proceeds towards Sonapur Naziraghat toll gate to catch the said suspected vehicle. I, along with PS staff, caught the said truck bearing registration number
Who are you?
at Naziraghat toll
Who are
gate.
you?
I'm the owner of this cattle lordship.
You are owner of the vehicle.
Not vehicle lordship, this cattle lordship.
Cattle.
Cattle lordship. I'm no way involved in this case.
So why have you sold it?
Lordship, I have purchased it lordship.
You're
I've annexed the
purchasing-
document lordship. I purchased lordship. I'm bona fide purchaser lordship for
Hmm.
cultivation purpose lordship.
So why was it taken to
That I'm not aware lordship because the
Meghalaya?
handyman and driver has already been arrested lordship.
No, but why was it taken to Meghalaya?
Lordship, this is based on the lordship, this handyman and driver lordship. I'm not concerned about it lordship. I'm
You
not
did
aware
not-
that. My truck was
These are your cattle.
Yes, my cattle lordship.
You did not file an FIR that your cattle is being stolen.
Not stolen lordship. I purchased those cattle lordship.
Ah.
Subsequently, they have been taken by this driver to some other place lordship.
Ah.
I'm not aware lordship. Those cattle were taken to Meghalaya lordship. Subsequently, when I got the information that my driver and my
Where are your
handyman was
documents? Where are
arrested,
your
lordship.
documents to show that you have
Lordship, I
purchased?
annexed the documents lordship.
Yes,
Page 10 to 23 lordship.
10 to 23.
10 to 23 lordship. Start from 10 lordship. This is type copy lordship. Page 10. Annex 1.
You have purchased from where? Where have you purchased it from?
Bihara Bazaar lordship. Bihara Bazaar.
Ah.
That I purchased it lordship.
And then you are taking it to?
That I am not aware lordship. Those
Oh, you are purchasing the cattle and for what purpose?
for cultivation purpose lordship.
Cultivation. Where do you cultivate? Which district?
In lordship, this Nagaon district lordship.
Nagaon
Nagaon
district.
district lordship.
So from
But-
Bihara to Nagaon, which is the way to?
That is based on to my driver lordship. Why he taken away those carry those documents, cattle to those Meghalaya lordship. So
Yes, what do you say?
Okay, in the meantime, I may protect the lordship.
Let
mean, no way connected.
let CDB call for. In the meantime, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on interim bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000. He will appear within 10 days from today.
Same FIR lordship, but here lordship, I am the owner of the truck lordship.
Now you are
Owner of the truck lordship.
owner of the truck.
Truck.
So owner of the truck and owner of the cattle,
Cattle.
same person? No.
Not same person lordship.
Huh?
Not same person lordship.
So
In this case also lordship, the same order may be passed lordship. I was not connected, anyway connected.
so
with
and so
it.
learned counsel for the call for CD. In the interim, he shall be released on interim bail upon furnishing a bail bond of 30,000. Appear before the IO within 10 days.
Okay. Oblige lordship.
My lord, I'm extremely sorry. Item number 40 is this is our case, my lord. Somebody mentioned, my lord.
Mention.
Actually, we have seen, my lord, our somebody, nobody was mentioned, my lord. Somebody wrongly mentioned, my lord.
5 and 14 was mentioned.
So, my lord, my
I
son will
will put
become
it
some timing may be.
Huh?
For timing, my lord,
14 adjourned. File asan goal.
we are immediately, what master says, somebody wrongly mentioned.
You are sure?
Yes, my lord, I'm sure, my lord.
Pune mention korte.
My lord, for timing, my lord.
Huh?
For timing.
What is this time being? You are here, let us hear it. What time being?
My lord.
Where is the FIR?
My lord, FIR, my lord, page 11, my lord.
11.
11, yes, my lord.
Yes, please read.
My lord, with reference to the subject, I would like to inform you on fake supply order item in the name of Komotobur Autonomous Council, North Shalmara, Bongaigaon, file letter number so and so, dated 3rd July 2022 was issued unknown miscreant. in the fake supply order. 1 MS soap footwear private limited, Thulian, Dehradun, my lord. And the order to supply 2,000 2 lakhs pairs shops and shops.
So why did you use a fake signature?
No, my lord, hold the question. I have not at all this, my lord.
Then why are you apprehending?
My lord,
Why are you apprehending?
my lord, the whole question that I am the UDA. I am the
Huh?
UDA, my lord. On Baksha, my lord.
You are the
UDA.
UDA.
Yes, my lord. And accountant officer of Baksha, my lord. Nobody connection with my Komota order there, my lord. Next one, my lord. There is no any supply order in the name of the Komota order. Such there is no any scheme, my lord.
Hmm.
There is no any scheme, my lord. There are no any funds also disbursed, my lord. And only the, my lord, the one accused, arrested, my lord, and he is known to me, my lord. He is the one, Pankaj, my lord. My statement para number, my lord, 4, my lord. I have nothing, nowhere in connected in this. And my lord, moreover, my lord, no fund was disbursed, nothing, there is no any, my lord, a supply. And this autonomous council, there is no any such scheme, my lord.
Call for CD.
And my name is not in the FIR also, my lord.
You are working as what?
UDA, my lord. UDA plus accountant, my lord. Press annexer, my lord.
Petitioner is working as UDA, accountant, presently posted at the office of CTPO Jala under ICTS project in the district of Baksa. In connection with FIR, dated so and so, lodged by the informant Rupajyoti Das, ACS, in charge principal secretary, Komotapur Autonomous Council. He's apprehending arrest as is known to the arrested accused. All proceeding. In the meantime, the petitioner is arrested. He shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of 30,000 with one local security of like appear within 10 days. 10 days.
Highly obliged.
May it please your lordship. Here, my lord, I am the owner of the vehicle, my lord, where some cattle are being carried, my lord. I'm owner of the vehicle, my lord. Registered owner of the vehicle.
Same Golaghat Bazaar.
My lord, it was brought, my lord, but I was the owner of the vehicle, not the owner of the cattle.
I heard learned counsel for the parties. They be petition apprehending arrest in connection with so and so. Petitioner claims to be the owner of the vehicle. What vehicle is this?
My lord, it's a, my lord,
Owner of a vehicle which is seized containing transporting cattle. What is the vehicle?
Twelve-wheeler truck. But four-wheeler truck, it is mentioned, my lord, but I manage the registration certificate. Base 15.
Call for city. In the event petitioner is arrested, he should be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with one local security of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. It shall appear within 10 days. 10 days.
Obligement.
Is there, my lord, little bit before vacation.
All right.
18, my
Call
lord.
for CD along with medical.
Section 8.
List. It's coming from Bongaigaon. So when can you get it?
19.
19 is the last day.
And 18 also.
18th. 17th. Let it be on 17th. 17th.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is 438 bail application, lordship. Here I am the owner, lordship. Some cattle were smuggled, lordship.
I have a registered owner, that is a registration certificate on page 11, Lordship.
Where do you smuggle the cattle?
Lordship, they have alleged, Lordship, it's from Assam to West Bengal, Lordship. I was not there, Lordship, it is entrusted to the driver, Lordship. He is, it is a commercial vehicle, Lordship, four-wheeler trucks.
Why do you keep such irresponsible drivers?
Yes, Lordship, that is the Lordship, that for that, Lordship, I am suffering now, Lordship.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Lordship, Dhubri, Lordship. Gauripur, Lordship.
Yes.
He's the owner, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the parties. Anticipatory bail seeking apprehending arrest in connection with an FIR dated
FIR on page 40.
18/8/2023. Apprehending arrest. It claims to be the owner of a vehicle bearing registration number so and so, which was transporting cattle and was detained with Chogolia outpost. And the goods and the driver and the personnel were arrested. Being the owner, he apprehended it. All proceeding. In the meantime, the petitioner is arrested. He is not furnishing a bail bond of 30,000 and one local security of like amount. The satisfaction of arresting authority will appear before the IO within 10 days.
Highly obliged. Highly obliged.
My lord, yeah, CD may be called for, my lord, is a POXO is there, my lord.
POXO call for CD along with medical. It's on 17th. 17th, it's for Morigaon, 17th.
Okay.
Lordship, Madam, we transfer for time being, he is coming.
Time being. 1 minute, 1 minute. What is the matter? NDPS? Is it NDPS? No.
302 is there, 326, 302.
30.
And 27 arms are also there.
All right. All right. Time being.
Mr. T. Sutia, Lordship, he asked me to request before your honor for the timing. He is before another court.
Time being.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this case, charge sheet has been submitted and case is in the trial court, Your Lordship. I am the mother, father, and sister, Your Lordship. Allegation that my one of the daughter-in-laws was
Dowry.
murdered, Your Lordship.
Dowry.
I may be allowed to dowry, Your Lordship. I may be allowed to appear, Your Lordship. I contest the court. I am only mother, father, and daughter, the sister.
You appear, who's stopping you?
But Your Lordship,
You appear.
I may be arrested
we'll
because
direct-
I have been shown arrested, absconder, Your Lordship, in this case.
Ah,
That is
So let
submitted.
us- let
Your
us-
Lordship, the prime accused that my son and the second wife, she has already enlarged on bail and now she is contesting, Your Lordship.
Once
I have
the
no-
charge sheet is filed, we'd like to have a look into the records.
But yeah,
We can, we can permit you to appear with a disposing it off, directing the concerned court to consider your application in its own merit. That is what we can do. Or we call for the
Records.
Your Lordship, I
CD.
contest. Only mother and father, sir, what role I will play?
No, we have given you two options. You choose which one you want.
The court may be called for, Your Lordship.
Yes, heard, learned counsel. Call for scan copy of the records pertaining to PRC 346 of 2022 arising out of Biswanath Charali, PS case number 217 of 2021. Under section so and so pending before which court? Before which
CJM,
court?
CJM, Your Lordship.
CM Biswanath.
CM Biswanath Charali. Matter be listed again on 17th.
Hello.
Will it be available on
Yes, it will be available.
17th?
Okay.
Item 67.
Supply.
Yes, Lordship. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
The petitioner before your Lordship is the president of Rongapani Gaon Panchayat Samobai Committee, Lordship. Allegation is only 14.65
quintal of rice, Lordship. There is allegation regarding anomalies in distribution of PDS system. A responsible person is secretary. And Lordship may kindly see the page second annexer, page number 17, annexer 2. Already he is granted interim protection, Lordship. So, my lord, I want to cooperate with the investigation. I also may be allowed to.
Who is granted interim?
Secretary.
Secretary.
Of the, yes.
You are the
I am the
president.
president. I am the president, and all the look after has been done by the secretary, Lordship. I am the president, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship. That we have got it. Case may be called for in the meantime.
case diary, yes.
Case
Heartland
diary may be
Council
called for
for
and
the-
interim protection, Lordship.
Call for CD pertaining to Mera Chair PS case number
Mera Chair.
62 of 2023 in the section 22. Anything else required?
Interim protection required, Lordship, because I am the president, Lordship. I have no role to play.
You are the president,
President,
all
Lordship.
this,
Secretary is already in interim protection, Lordship.
all right. In the meantime, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond, interim bail bond of rupees. On interim bail, furnishing a bail bond of rupees 50,000 with one local security of like amount. Shall appear before the IO within 10 days.
Within 10 days. Deeply obliged, Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Legal lordship. Lordship, as per the last order, dated the CD should come, but it has not come, your lordship.
What has not come?
The CD has not come, your lordship.
CD has not come.
Lordship, on the last occasion, a status report of the investigation was called for, Lordship. We have received the information, Lordship, that charge sheet has already been submitted.
Ah. What was challenged here in the criminal petition?
Quashing of the FIR, Lordship.
Oh. Now charge sheet has been filed.
Yes, lordship. Yes,
So
the lordship, matter may be fixed immediately after vacation.
is there any interim? No.
I don't think so, Lordship.
Hmm. All right. The request of so and so matter stands adjourned. List after, list in November. 8th of November. 8th of November.
Lordship, whether the charge sheet number can be recorded.
It is submitted by Mr. Sharma that additional APP that charge sheet has already been filed, being charge sheet number
149/23,
149 of 2023 filed on
that is 22/7/23.
22/7/2023. All right. Yes, Mr. Dr.
Lordship, this is a 4 revision application.
Hmm.
Perhaps today is not the suitable date for the complete hearing, is to take time also. We are for the petitioner.
We have all the time if you want.
Yes, Lord. No, if you Lord.
Yes.
And my lord, I'm for the respondents, all respondent, my lord. LCR might be required, my lord. In this
LCA is not required because of the fact, Lordship, that is the interim application. Section 23, interim compensation was allowed by the London Chief Judicial Magistrate. Proceeding is going on. Then
You are challenging what? You are challenging the complaint.
initially the London CGM has allowed our application and awarded a compensation of rupees 1 crore in 2 cases, 5 crores each. Then they preferred a revision application before the additional district judge, session judge, I think so. That was allowed. We challenging that all. Common order. However, the parties they prefer 2 revision application, therefore the 2 cases are there.
So you say the LCR is not required.
Absolutely not required because of only the propriety of the and legality of the order is to be examined. The only ground they have said that is there was no delay, so therefore interim compensation may not be granted. Delay not caused by them. That is the only ground they have urged before this.
My lord, why I am saying this LCR is required, my lord, for application of 143A, my lord. Only after framing of charge it can to play, my lord. But here in this case, my lord, they have not preferred any separate application for 143A, my lord. In the complaint itself, they have prayed for 143A, my lord. And much before the offense was explained, my lord, it was fixed for hearing upon the 143A, my lord.
We
That is
can call
illegal.
for the scan copy.
Yes, yes.
Third learned counsel for the parties call for scan copy of the proceeding of the records from the Court of Additional
No,
Session Judge,
that is Chief Judicial Magistrate Tingshu,
CGM,
CGM Tingshu.
CGM Tinsukia in connection with
NI case number 11, 19 and 11, 12.
NI case number 11 of 2019 and 12 NI case 12 of 2019 under section 138 of NI. Let the scan copy be placed before the court.
Lordship, this is an urgent matter. Lordship, fix a date after vacation, either 7th or 6th.
I thought urgent matters were before vacation. No,
No, not so urgent
Alright.
because of the fact
matter we listed
7th, 11th,
in what 7,
11th.
9, 9th or 10th.
Lordship, I am available on 6th and 7th here. So Lordship may kindly approve.
7th.
Grateful.
Mr. Lorenzo appears for the respondent. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Sir, 438 application, Lordship. The FIR is page
438 or 9?
438, Lordship.
Huh?
Case is not received, Lordship.
31.
Yes.
Item 31.
21.
31.
Sorry, Lordship. I'm sorry, Lordship. I'm sorry.
CD not received.
Not received, Lordship.
My lord,
Involves
in
commercial quantity, Lordship.
CD not received.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, my respectful submission would be, my lord. Today is, my lord, 182 days, my lord. And statutory period is 180 days, my lord.
Today is
180 days, my lord, 6 months. 6 months. And today is 182 days, my lord.
Lordship will allow.
So
me some
therefore,
time
in
to
last
take the
occasion, my
instruction,
lord, when the matter was listed before Honorable Justice Thakur, my lord, on that day, my lord, the days were counted and the matter was posted after 6 months. That is 180 days.
Hmm.
And today is 82 days.
Yes.
The statutory period is over, my lord.
Lordship, I will just take the instruction if charge sheet has been filed or not, Lordship. After a few minutes, Lordship.
My lord, for last 5 months, my lord, we have been languaging. my lord.
NDPS.
Commercial quantity.
That is why, my lord. Otherwise, then tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow, day after.
For tomorrow, my lord.
Today is Tuesday. It can be listed tomorrow.
Immediately, Lordship.
Tomorrow.
I do.
May it please, Your Lordship. Here two applications are there, Lordship. Item number 32, this is bail application, and item number 33, criminal petition. Lordship.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for timely.
Why?
Lordship, my senior is the next in court number 7.
In item number 33.
In both cases, Lordship. Lordship, there are two, Lordship.
Pass it over. We pass it over.
Okay.
May I please, Lordship, 439 bail application, Lordship. On Lordship, whatever Lordship, in this case, the petitioner was shown as absconder in the charge sheet, Lordship. And thereafter, the Learned Trial Court straightaway issued NDPS, Lordship. And Lordship, that order has been challenged by the petitioner before his Honorable Court, Lordship. And this Honorable Court was pleased to, Lordship, direct the petitioner to approach the Learned Trial Court. Until then, Lordship, the NDPS was kept in abeyance, Lordship. When the Lordship petitioner appeared before the trial court, Learned Trial Court, Lordship, He was lordship taken into custody lordship. On 26/6/2023 lordship. Until then, he is in custody. Today, lordship, 107 days. And all the other co-accused persons have been released on bail already, lordship. There are total lordship 7 accused persons, lordship.
Yes.
And lordship, gist of the allegation is that 3 minor girls went missing, lordship. And thereafter,
Where is the FIR?
FIR lordship will find it, lordship. A type copy lordship will find it. Page number 12, lordship. 12. May I read the FIR?
Read.
With respect and humble submission, we the people of Miri Chapuri along with VDP people want to inform you that the 3 minor girls below 16 of our village were missing from the dated 29/1/2023 at approximately 12 noon. As per the guardian, they went for the shopping at Chapakwa town. After they did not return home. After that, the parents of the missing girls informed the VDP people of the village. After that, we have informed the situation to the SI 8 Mile, and we the villagers also tried to find them, but we did not find them. But after 2 days, we get an information that they were in a village called Farm Basti, Shantipur. Then some people of our village went to Farm Basti and we were able to find them on their village. After having a discussion with the villager of the Farm Basti, we were able to bring them back. After coming home of the girls, we have arranged a meeting with some senior citizen of our village. After arranging the meeting, we have get the shocking fact that the home guard of Nosodia out of an gate for all the actually eligible in the biology of missing 3 minor girls, and they revealed and shocking that they were sexed forcefully by Sri Satyajit Gugoi. He is the prime accused, lordship. At Arunachal Pradesh, the names of the culprit home guards was Satyajit Gugoi. So, sir, we the villagers and the VDP people of our village are expecting for the justice for 3 minor girls, and the culprit should be punished as per the sexual abusement law, and condition should not be happen on our village again. So this is the language of the real FIR, lordship. I have this type copy on the lordship. Therefore, lordship, six persons have been were also arrested, lordship. And all of them have been granted bail, lordship. But this petitioner was shown as absconder, lordship. Thereafter, statewide NDW was issued, and that was put to challenge before the honorable court, lordship. And this honorable court was pleased to, lordship, direct him to approach the trial court. Until then, the NDW was kept away, lordship. Lordship will find the order 20 order on page 46, lordship. The Honorable High Court, lordship, page 46. Komal Gogol, lordship.
Yes.
Last operative portion, lordship. Considering all entirety of page 47, lordship, last part. Considering all entirety of the matter, the present petition stands disposed of with a direction to the petitioner to appear before the learned trial court.
That is at the time of appearance.
Lordship. Till then, the day after he appeared on 26/6/2023, and his bail petition was rejected, and he was taken into custody, lordship. Until then, lordship, 107 days, and lordship, other accused persons have been already enlarged on bail, lordship.
Yes, what do you say?
Here, lordship, the scanned copy of the case records was called for, lordship. It has been received. In the record, lordship, I found that the charges has already been framed on 3/8/23, lordship.
Charges framed, lord. I managed the order, lordship.
Allow him to submit. Yes.
Under section 376D and 6 of POCSO, lordship. And lordship, altogether, lordship, there are 13 PWs, lordship. The status report and the
No. The question is, his cases, all the other co-accused are released on bail,
lordship,
including the prime accused.
yes, lordship. My submission will be, lordship, the victim, at least the 3 victims has to be examined, lordship. Apparently, they are minors, lordship. There are 3 victims in the case, lordship. They have not been examined so far,
Lordship, 1 victim has been examined, lord, on last occasion, along with the complainant, lordship. This is the lordship. Complainant along with 1 victim, lord. They have not named this lordship, present petitioner, lordship. I am passing on the lordship copy.
Here the records are not up to date, lordship, because here in the records it is shown that the next date is 13/9/23. After that, the records are not there, lordship.
But on 26 September, complainant were with 1 victim girl were examined, lordship. complainant and PW2 is the one of the victim first. And Lordship will find that Lordship 14 numbers of witnesses have been cited in the charge sheet, Lordship. Page 26. If Lordship permits me to read the Lordship deposition of the one of the victim charges, Lordship, it will be clear, Lordship.
When is the next date fixed?
Next day, Lordship, I have not, Lordship, I have not instruction, Lordship.
You go through this.
Yes, records are also not up to date.
But this will, Lordship, may suffice, Lordship. The deposition of the victim, alleged victim, Lordship.
From this, there doesn't appear to be any material as such. You go through it. Let us call for an updated
Yes, sir.
records next week. The matter be listed again on 17th, on which date? By which date the registry will call for updated case records from the Court of Additional Session Judge come Special Judge POCSO in connection with POCSO case number 42 of 2023. Stop. List accordingly.
Special Judge Tinsukia.
Huh?
Special Judge Tinsukia.
Special Judge Tinsukia, yes.
Obviously.
Regular bail application arrested on 29/6/23 till date 102 days. My lord, FIR is at page 12. The relevant portion is at page 15. My lord, it was on the next very day charge sheet was filed. And my lord, your lordship, in the charge sheet, my lord, at page 26, the relevant portion your lordship will look into. Page 26, in the charge sheet.
Page 26.
Middle portion. After, my lord, from top, it is the 7th or 8th line. Victim refused from second paragraph, 7th or 8th line. The medical report of the victim has been received, in which doctor concerned opined that victim refused her medical examination, and also doctor mentioned there is no evidence based proof for the person get raped, no external injury noted, no spermoja seen during investigation of the case, that she was produced before the board of CWC Karimganj, the accused person such and such. So, my lord, there was no rape, nothing in the charge sheet. It was filed by the medical, in the medical report. And I am 102 days behind the bar, my lord. Charge sheet file.
Yes,
Also, whether steps on service of the.
My lord, we have taken steps twice. And my lord, twice, my lord, nobody is appealing. My lord, we have taken steps twice.
steps not completed.
They are not appearing, my lord.
You take it through the police station. You take it through the concerned police station. And then file a compliance affidavit. Do it within 1 week if you can.
My lord, I will do it within one week.
From the office note, it is seen that service on respondent 2 is not complete. Accordingly, the petitioner is directed to take steps on respondent 2 to the concerned police station, namely Karimganj police station, and thereupon file a affidavit of compliance before the court. When can you do it?
To police station. Next week. By next week, my lord.
List on 17th.
17.
Meanwhile, the registry to also call for updated scan copy of the updated case records.
It's already there, my lord.
No, it's not up to date, Lordship. Because Lordship, the last date was fixed on
19/6.
5/10/23.
510.
Yes.
Updated scan copy of the records pertaining to special sessions POXO case number 173 of 2023 from the court of Session Judge Karimganj, based on 17th.
7.
This matter may kindly pass off for time being
Time being.
organized.
Lordship, charge sheet has been submitted.
Press steps not taken.
Charge sheet already submitted.
So you tell us what you want to do.
Lordship will close the matter, Lordship. Charge sheet will approach the.
You think about it and tell us what you want to do. What do you want to do? We can close it, you can appear, or we can call, we'll have to call for the records.
I shall appear.
You'll appear.
Lordship, I am ready to take the steps. Your Lordship, record.
No, if you're closing it, sorry?
Lordship, may kindly call for the record. Your Lordship. I shall take the steps. Your Lordship.
All right. It is office note 6/10/2023 shows that steps by Dusty mode has not been taken on respondent 2. The petitioner will take steps by Dusty as well as by through the concerned police station, namely which police station will it be? Changsari. Changsari police station. Meanwhile, as it is submitted by the learned APP, the charge sheet has been submitted. Scan copy of the case records be called for from the court of which court? Petitional session, POXO.
Special court may kindly be left after such sheet. The record may be gone to the special court. Your Lordship.
Special court,
Kamrup.
special court POXO Kamrup. But we don't have the case number. What is the case number?
Subsequent case number, Your Lordship, I have no knowledge, Your Lordship, but only PS case number is there. Your Lordship.
In connection with Changsari PS case number 263 of 2023 under section 376 IPC read with section 6 POXO Act. list. It'll have to be after vacation. November.
May I pray for just before vacation, last date, Kamrup, yellowship. There is no difference.
18th.
Kamrup rural,
18th.
18.
List on 18 October.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lord.
Yes.
Lord, here I'm behind the bar for the last 80 days, my lord. And the offense charge is under section 51 of the Wildlife Protection Act, my lord.
Hmm.
One reptile was seized from me, measuring 13 inch in length. That is a lizard type of reptile.
Gecko.
Toke gecko, my lord. It's a schedule 1 specified reptile. Already 80 days, my lord, and 3 days I was taken into police custody as well.
Lordship, there is a preliminary offense report at page 11 of the bail application, but the final report has not been prepared yet.
80 days I have already undergone, my lord. So there is nothing required. Police judicial remand is not necessary any further.
Yes, what do you say?
Lordship, the accused is a resident of Arunachal Pradesh, so there might be a chance that
Then,
There cannot be at all any chance.
no. Arunachal will be your local security here.
Yeah, we will provide. We will provide.
Huh?
We will provide under any terms and condition, my lord. They may be allowed to go. Local security, we will provide.
All right. Heard. Learned counsel for the parties. This bail petition is filed with the petitioner. Praying for bail as the petitioner was arrested in connection with offense number G 12 of 2023-2024. Dated so under section so and 49B. Read with 51 Wildlife Protection Act. As per the FIR dated
Page number 8.
20/07/2023 lodged by the complainant ASI Krishna Ray. A Toke gecko, page number 807, was a live Toke gecko was seized from the Scorpio vehicle. Which was driven by the petitioner. Stop. The seizure was made in the presence of local witnesses. Stop. Pursuant thereto, he was produced before the competent magistrate and taken into custody. He's been in judicial custody.
My lord.
It is submitted that he was arrested on
21/7/23.
was arrested on 21/7. Since then, he has been in custody. There are learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the seizure was made after the seizure has already been made. Nothing more is to be recovered. No further investigation. Detention is necessary for investigation of the case. Therefore, the petitioner ought to be released. Mr. Botagur, counsel for the
Lordship, on
Forest.
behalf of Special PP Wildlife,
on behalf of Special PP Wildlife. Who is Special PP Wildlife?
PN Goswami.
So where is PN Goswami?
Lordship, he's on legs at Court 1.
So it is up to you. We record your presence.
Yep.
Appears on behalf of Special PP, who submits that the Special PP is not available before this court. He submits that final report is not yet prepared.
Yes.
He submits that the petitioner ought not to be released on bail as the final report is yet to be prepared. But having heard the counsel for the parties and upon perusal of the material before the court, Any other material you want to place before the court?
Lordship, that would be it. That's it, Lordship.
Huh?
There's no material. Lordship.
It is submitted that no further material. The learned counsel appearing for the special PP submits that the final report is under preparation. Therefore, prayer for bail may not be granted at this stage. Having heard learned counsel, this court is of the view that petitioner having spent how many days?
80 days.
Huh?
80.
Having spent 80 days since his date of arrest. This court is of the considered view that further detention for investigation of the case is not necessary. The petitioner will be released from custody upon furnishing a bail bond of rupees 50,000 with 2 local sureties of like amount, out of which one shall be a local surety. With 2 sureties, out of which one surety shall be a local surety. And the petitioner will continue to abide by the conditions in the bail petition. Namely, he will appear before the IO, continue to appear before the IO till completion of the investigation, and on such dates as may be directed, he shall. Now you'll have to remain in that area.
My lord.
We can't permit you to go out of the jurisdiction.
Let it be for 1 month, but thereafter, as per the direction, my lord, we will appear every month.
Petitioner will not move out of the jurisdiction without written permission of the IO. And petitioner will not change his place of residence without written permission of the IO. If any of the conditions are found to be violated, IO is at liberty to pray for cancellation of the bail. Bail petition accordingly allowed this court.
May please, your lordship. Petitioner is behind bar for 60 days as on today from the date of production, my lord, and the mandatory period is of 60 days, my lord. Allegation is 21B of NDPS Act, my lord.
CD
Received lordship, FSL report is yet to be collected. Lordship.
Mandatory period is of 60 days and as on today 60 days, my lord, from the date of production.
We'll see about it. You try to call for the FSL report. What is the allegation here?
100 grams of heroin, lordship.
Heroin, my lord, intermediate
Commercial.
quantity. No, my lord, intermediate quantity. Mandatory period
Intermediate is 60 days.
60 days, my lord. And today is 60 days, my lord.
You need the FSL report.
Lordship.
But in the wording on the FIR, it is written at 100 grams of heroin, my lord, suspected.
What do you say?
This clearly stated, my lord, in the
Clearly stated where?
in the FIR, my lord, page number 13, my lord. The brown color powder substance suspected to be heroin kept inside the soap case was weighted by digital weighting apparatus in presence of witness, and the new weight of the soap case along with the transparent polythene packet suspected to be heroin was 0.320 kg. That means 320 grams, and without soap case weighted 0.100 kg, means 100 grams suspected to be heroin.
All right, come back on Friday. Friday.
Right.
List on Friday.
Lordship.
Meanwhile, the APP will endeavor to produce the FSL report.
Lordship.
Friday 13th.
One lordship, charge sheet has been submitted.
Charge sheet submitted. Yes.
Will they approach the transit?
Heard learned counsels for the parties. It is submitted by the learned APP. The charge sheet, the matter has been submitted being by the charge sheet number
135/23
135 of 23
dated 39/23.
39/2023. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that you would like to approach the competent court before which the charge sheet has been filed and pray for appropriate orders seeking bail. Accordingly, this bail petition is closed. The petitioner is granted liberty to approach the competent court and file bail applications. In the event such an application is filed, the competent court will decide the same on the merits, on its own merits, and pass appropriate orders. Disposed.
May I read the lordships? On a 413 application, my lord. On the case was registered under Wildlife Protection Act, my lord. Well, I was arrested on 7/8/2023, my lord. As on today, 65 days behind, I am behind the bar, my lord. Sasi has submitted, my lord.
Lordship, the final offense report has been already submitted, and his bail prayer has already been rejected by the trial court.
What was recovered?
Hello, one gecko was recovered and he was released on modified plea statement. On very next day of the seized, my lord. And seizure is annexed, my lord.
Two phones from the arrestees and one live gecko, and it is in page 20.
In my possessions, she was not recovered, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
First page, my lord, offense report, page 17, my lord. And excerpt B.
How many persons were arrested?
Two persons were arrested, my lord, earlier in 2019, my lord, and they were enlarged on bail, my lord. And my lord, present state of this case is, my lord, this is the copy. This from yesterday, my lord. They were allowed to go on, my lord, previous bail, my lord. And case was committed to court of session, my lord. By order dated 7/10/2023, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Counsel, what do you say?
Lordship, his case is different because he was absconding right from the beginning. So there is a chance that he would not cooperate in the trial.
No, my lord.
And that is why his bail was rejected by the trial court.
Where is the rejection order?
My lord, page 20, is that page 27, my lord?
Huh?
Page 27, my lord.
27.
Rejection order, my lord. 8/9/2023.
You were riding the bike. You were riding the bike.
No, my lord.
Then it was recovered from your possession.
No, my lord, no, my lord. Recovered from the other two accused person, my lord. And there is no whisper, my lord, on record, my lord, that I was absconding, my lord. From 26/9/2019, there is no whisper that I was.
Now final report is there.
Yes.
Before which court?
Before Sessions Court, Biswanath Tharialu.
When was it filed?
Finally, it was, my lord.
28/6/2019.
28/6.
29/6/2019.
Well, there is a order, it has been reflected, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, 14/5/2020, I order dated.
Page number.
My lord, I just given the copy, my lord. See her record the before on page, my lord, 14/5/2020. Dated 14/5/2020. Case record put up before me today. Seen the offense report communicated by memo nong B/WBC/CIR/7/20/853, my lord. Dated 18/3/2020.
What is the name of the petitioner?
Abdul Ali. My Abdul Ali.
Next date is on 19/9.
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
Next date fixed for 19/9.
19/9.
Any condition, my lord? Am I allowed to go on bail, my lord?
Okay. Hard disposed. We'll pass orders.
High level judgment.
But LC was responsible for this matter and it's a trial matter, my lord. I'm behind the bar for 583 days. Last petition, my lord, LCA was called.
Not received.
Hmm?
Not received, no?
Not received.
Not received.
LCA not received.
After vacation, my lord.
List on 7 November.
That will be on second week of November, my lord.
Second week.
Second week of November, my lord. 11 or,
All right, 14.
my lord.
14 November.
My lord.
Call for scan copy. Reminder for scan copy.
Right.
Issued by the registry. Yes, Mr. Sarma.
My lord, here the cases of, as per the FIR, my lord, under section 8 and 12 of the POSCO Act, my lord. The FIR is at page 10, my lord.
Have you taken steps?
Yes, absolutely taken, my lord, as per the note. There is flag mark note, my lord.
But it is not served.
But my lord, your lordship, if it is sent at the correct address by register post.
But there has to be a noting observation to that effect.
Yes, my lord, already. Latest judgment court has also solved my case, my lord. That if it is sent in the correct address. With
No,
the
that
register post.
finding has to be by the office. The office has to return a finding you sent on the correct address.
No, whatever address given in the FIR, that was the address given.
No, that's all right.
There is the correct address, my lord.
Yes. Where is the
Both are
FIR? Where is the FIR?
papers, my lord. Allegation, my lord, that the mother and the father went to dentist on particular date, my lord, on
Read,
on
read
20,
the, kindly read
26,
the FIR.
my lord.
Read the
Yes.
FIR, please.
Page 10, my lord. Lengthy FIR.
No, read the, I think vernacular is in 15.
Yes.
Yes.
15. আমরা জনবল বিষয় বুঝে মই শ্রীমতী মৌসুমী বরা স্বামী শ্রী হরকান্ত বরা রাখা কুমারী আরক্ষী চকী অন্তর্গত মাঝ রৌমারী বঙ্গালী গাঁৱৰ বাসিন্দা হয় মহোদয় যোৱা 26/8 incident was 26/8 minor. The FIR was filed in 30 and he was arrested on 31 after 4 days. তারিখে শনিবারে মোর স্বামী দাঁতর চিকিৎসা ভাবে যাও এই আমার একমাত্র কন্যা প্রভাসা বরা বয়স 10 বছর 5 মাস বর্মা উমেশ্বরী বয়স আমার ঘৰলৈ মাতি আনি মোৰ কন্যাক লগা থাকিবলৈ কৈ যাওঁ মহোদয় সেইদিনা প্ৰায় সন্ধিয়া 7টা বজাত মই স্বামী হৰকান্ত বৰাৰ সৈতে তেজপুৰৰ পৰা দন্ত চিকিৎসকৰ সাক্ষাৎ কৰি ঘৰ পাওঁ মহোদয় ঘৰ আহি পোৱাত আমাৰ একমাত্ৰ কন্যা আমাক অৱগত কৰে যে বৰ্মাক উমেশ্বৰী বৰা মহিলা গোটৰ মিটিঙৰ বাবে 2:30 বজাত যাব লগা হয় সেই ওচৰৰ জেঠাই ৰুণু হাজৰিকাৰ বিবাহিতা জীয়েৰী
You can read the translation also if you want.
Also there are some translation may be in fact correct manner. I beg to inform that Srimati Mosmi Boara was so Bengali Saturday I went to testify for my husband and after we left after calling Omasturi Bora and daughter to my house and asked her to stay with my only daughter, Purvasa Bora. So on that day in the evening at about 7 p.m., I along with my husband, Harkanta Bora reached home and after meeting the dentist. So on reaching home, our only daughter informed us that her aunt Umesh Suri Bora had to leave about 2:30 p.m. due to some meeting in the women's group. Yes, says her aunt Umesh Bora asked Babita Das, married daughter of her aunt Renu Hajika, whose house is adjacent to our house, to take my daughter to their house. As the school examination of my daughter is going on, we expressed her desire to study at home and did not go with her uncle's daughter, Babita Das, and started reading books. My daughter informed me that after some time, Nipan Hajika, son of Trencho, they are relation, my lord, just neighbors. And that is in the order of the Israel judge also. My daughter informed me that after some time, Nipan Bora, son of Trencho, son of her aunt.
Yes, what you say,
Hajika,
Mr. APP?
and he manhandled the girl minor, that is the allegation. And she hid herself in the washroom, that is the allegation. Now let's kindly come to the order of the magistrate, my lord, sorry, special judge, at page 20.
Yes.
Fifth paragraph, my lord, the last paragraph of the page 20. First, according to fourth paragraph, the submission is forwarded the defense counsel, Mr. P. Sharma, that accused has been falsely implicated by the informant in this case. Out of misunderstanding of fact, and the family of both the accused and informant are closely relatives, and informant misunderstood the accused and lost the FIR falsely out of dispute regarding the factory. As such, the accused person is the innocent person.
164 statement, where is it? Here.
On the other hand, special PP has submitted that investigation of the case is about to be completed, and the families of the accused as well as the informant are relatives, and as such, so considering this fact, the learned PP has raised no objection in granting bail to the accused.
relevant portion will start from internal page 4 Lordship, of this statement.
Mm.
And my lord, there is no explanation now why it took 4 days to file the FIR. Because Romari, Rakshasmari and Romari both are only 2 kilometers distance, my lord, very near the outpost where the FIR was filed. Now he is in custody, my lord, for 1 month, 11 days.
All right, we'll pass orders. This post.
Remember that 4 days delay, because outpost is just near.
All right, rejected on the basis of materials available in the city.
My lord, it is the maximum punishment 3 years. Anyway,
There are implicating materials. Serious.
It is not admissible, my lord. It is simply, he is in custody for 1 month.
164 statement.
Yes, that is true, my lord.
Ah.
Both are related and the dispute is been raised by me.
For the time being rejected.
For the timing, that will be.
Please,
The Lord will
later
kindly observe that.
You
For the
heard your
timing,
case before the court. Yes.
oblige, my lord.
Yes.
Court ordered an evolution and petitioner is custody, my lord, is 6 days, my lord.
CD not received Lordship.
All right, call for CD along with
My lord, Bobada and Polgas here.
anything else required? Only CD.
Only
List on 18,
70.
17. All right. Can you get it on 17? For CD on 17.
With due respect, Lordship, Madam will be passing off for time being, Lordship.
Day after.
Lordship,
CD not
Day
received.
after tomorrow.
Lordship, in item number 58, same FIR, Lordship, can be taken with item number 58, Lordship.
58.
58.
All right, 58. Take it up with 58.
Must
47 Lordship, CD not received.
CD not received.
439 application, my lord, not 53 days behind the bar, my lord.
All right, wait for the CD.
My lord, allegation 21 AM, my lord.
CD call for has not been received, along with FSL has not been received. List again on November.
My lord, 60 days is a mandatory period.
All right, 17th,
17.
17 October.
Lordship.
Hearing?
May I please, Madam? So this is a NDPS.
trial under NDPS, section 121C, my lord. And I am an under trial prisoner who was arrested on 18/6/2019. And I am behind the bar for almost 1,573 days.
Commercial quantity.
Yes, my lord, commercial quantity, but it is a cough syrup, my lord. And the thing is, my lord, kindly see page 45, my lord. Kindly turn to page 45, my lord.
Lordship, matter may be taken at 2 after item number 32 and 33.
You are appearing on behalf of someone.
Yes, Lordship, SC care.
All right, at 2. At 2?
At 2, my lord, yesterday also they kept us waiting throughout the entire day.
No, no, we'll come back at 2.
Public.
Yes.
May I please, my lord? Lord, and the senior counsel is on legs, kindly pass for the matter for time.
Day after.
Day after.
Day after.
May I please, your lordship? 48 days in custody, 20-year-old, the petitioner is a 20-year-old guy, my lord. He morphed the photograph of the informant, my lord, and uploaded it on social media. He's been in jail for 48 days, my lord, and the mandatory period is 60 days. And the FIR is at page 11, my lord.
Yes.
Only pleading on the youth of the petitioner, my lord, in the length of detention. Otherwise, my lord, the nature of the offense is such, my lord, where the evidence has already been collected and the statements of all the witnesses would have been examined, would have been recorded by now. Perhaps further custodial detention may not be necessary.
What do you say?
Here also one photograph was uploaded by the present petitioner lordship and it was edited to some extent lordship. Lordship will find that photograph in the case diary also lordship.
No, we don't want to see photograph. What do we do with photograph?
That is the allegation lordship.
Your body?
Actually, because I appear on behalf of the victim. I have filed an intervention.
What is the status of the investigation?
Lordship, witnesses have been examined. This all relates to lordship because it was uploaded online lordship. So evidences are been collected lordship.
How many days?
48 days, man.
You are objecting to the bail.
Yes, Lord. I echo the objections of the learned public prosecutor.
For what purpose?
Lord, I am a prominent figure.
So you are a prominent figure, quite all right, but this is with regard to the requirement of detention for investigation. This is not conviction. So,
as my lord, please, I am just simply echoing the submissions of the learned public prosecutor.
yes, what is the stage of investigation now?
Almost done lordship because it was done by online mode lordship. So in that regard, investigation is still going on lordship.
What about the allegation of previous allegations or offences?
No, nothing like that.
Young boy, my school dropout, 20 years old, my lord.
So what will he do coming out? He's enjoying good food, free.
Considering his youth, my lord, prolonged incarceration may, my lord.
We will direct the jail authorities to give him proper training how to use AI effectively.
Yes.
There are a lot of areas to use AI. Maybe you'd like to utilize this time,
AI is perhaps my lord an exaggeration, editing was done, my lord.
whatever it is. You can't go on editing
My lord.
people like that.
No anticipation.
We'll pass some orders, we'll see.
My lord.
Yes, record the names of the council. We'll pass some orders, we'll see.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
No, 49 lordship already charge sheet submitted.
Charge sheet submitted.
Yes.
Revision interim.
It is submitted by the learned APP, Mr. Sharma, that charge sheet in the matter has been submitted by the charge sheet number
35/23
35/2023,
dated 31/7/23.
dated 31/7/2023.
Lordship.
Stop. Accordingly, this AV petition stands closed. The
31/7.
interim order granted by this court by the order dated 27/04/2023 will continue for another 10 days. 10 days, 15 days, enabling the petitioner to appear before the competent court and file applications for regular bail if so advised. AV petition accordingly stands disposed.
Same pair lordship, charge sheet has been submitted, commercial quantity.
No. Any interim?
No lordship, commercial quantity.
So you appear before the court below. Disposed. Is submitted, the charge sheet has been filed before the competent court by the charge sheet number
61/2023
61/2023
dated 20/09/23.
2009
Lordship.
2023. Accordingly, AP petition stands closed. Petitioner is at liberty to appear before the competent court if the charge sheet has been filed. File appropriate applications. Stop. In the event such an application is filed, the competent court will examine the matter in its own merit and pass appropriate orders. Disposed.
51 lordship, case diary not received. The earlier occasion it was received, but it was sent back for updation lordship.
CD not received. List again. You are on interim?
No.
Not on interim?
No.
What is the allegation?
POXO 4 is there lordship.
All right. Get it on 17th,
Lordship.
list on 17 October for CD.
May please, lordship, my lord, can this matter be taken up after some time?
All right.
Deeply obliged.
53 lordship, charge sheet has been submitted and the petitioner is on interim lordship.
It is submitted by the learned APP that charge sheet. The matter has been submitted by the charge sheet number
162/2023
162/2023 dated
27/9/23.
27/09/2023. Accordingly, AV petition stands closed. Petitioner will appear before the competent court before which the charge sheet has been submitted. Stop. Interim order dated 9/6/2023 will continue for 15 days from today. Give the date 15 days. When so data. Disposed.
54 lordship, charge sheet has been submitted. There is no
Same
interim.
order. Charge sheet submitted.
Lordship, can the matter may be fixed at 2, Lordship, let my senior heard, Lordship.
Charge sheet submitted. What is there to be heard? We are closing it. We are closing it.
Lordship.
Lordship, I am appearing for informant.
Okay. Who is your senior?
SC Vishwas, Lordship.
All right. Counsel for petitioner MS so and so led by SC Viswas appears. Matter stands closed. Since the charge sheet has been submitted by the charge sheet number
142/23
142/23 dated
29/7/2023.
29/7/2023. Mr.
R. Islam, Lordship.
RS
R. Islam, Lordship,
R.S. Dam.
on
Okay.
behalf of that Hussain.
On behalf of Zaid Hussain, appears for the informant. Petitioner is at liberty to appear before the competent court and file applications for regular bail. Disposed.
Obliged.
55 Lordship, CD not received, and the petitioner is on interim Lordship.
All right, list again on 17 November, call for CD.
17.
Interim to continue.
Lordship, item number 21, I was on another court, Lordship, for a timing.
You wait, if you miss the bus, it goes. Wait. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Please, Lordship, this is teenagers' romance, Lordship, and the POSCO has come in.
Law Commission has not recommended.
Yes, I know. Lordship, the
Where is the FIR?
Lordship, may read the vernacular or the type one.
Whatever you want.
Vernacular is Lordship will get the thing proper, Lordship, what is there in the Lordship can read at page 25, Lordship.
Yes.
এজাহারকারী নিবেদন এই যে এজাহারকারী ছোৱালী শ্ৰীমতী সোয়েনছো বয়স 16 বছৰ হায়াৰ ছেকেণ্ডাৰী পঢ়াৰ বাবে গুৰুকুল গ্ৰামাৰ ছেকেণ্ডাৰী স্কুলৰ গীতানগৰ গুৱাহাটীত নামভৰ্তি কৰাই 2023 চনৰ জুন মাহৰ পৰা গীতানগৰ পানীপথত থকা অমুকৰ তত্ত্বাৱধানত থকা পিজিত মোৰ ছোৱালীক ৰাখো কিন্তু যোৱা 13/8/23 তাৰিখে উক্ত পদকীয়াই মোৰ নৱলিকা ছোৱালীজনী আধাৰ কাৰ্ডখন জাল কৰি ভয় ভাবুকি দি গীতানগৰৰ সোয়েনছো হোটেলত আবদ্ধ কৰি মোৰ ছোৱালীক ধৰ্ষণ কৰে আৰু ঘৰত জনালে মোৰ ছোৱালীক আপত্তিজনক ফটো ফেচবুক যোগে প্ৰচাৰ কৰিম বুলি ভাবুকি দিয়ে ঘটনাৰ বিষয়ে যোৱাকালি 14/8/2023 তাৰিখে মোৰ ছোৱালী বান্ধৱী এজনীয়ে মোৰ পত্নীক জনোৱাৰ লগে লগে পত্নী গুৱাহাটী অভিমুখে মোৰ ছোৱালী ঘৰলৈ লৈ যোৱাত মোৰ ছোৱালী কান্দি কান্দি মোক আৰু মোৰ পত্নীক সকলো কথা বিৱৰি কয় বৰ্তমানো পদকীয়াই মোৰ ছোৱালীক ফোন যোগে ধমকি দি আছে আৰু পদকীয়াৰ ওপৰত কেছ দিলে কথা বেয়া হ'ব বুলি ভাবুকি দিয়ে So this is the affair, Lordship. So the CD was called for. My point is, Lordship, here in this case, the both of them, one is 17 years, one is 19 years. He has just crossed 19 years and entered the 20 years. Now, it is out of the romance, Lordship, whole things happen. And then, Lordship, my only point is, Lordship, that in the meantime, the college has given a notice, Lordship, that my client is a student. So now college has given this notice on 11th of September 2023 that he has missed the classes and all that, so will be rusticated and then now the victim girl, she is giving all these messages, Lordship, the various messages indeed.
You bring it on record if you want.
Not on that. So that's
bring
true.
it on record.
Because Lordship, I don't want to give this, Lordship, on the record. And because Lordship is Lordship, no Lordship of all these things should not come into the record. So that is why I kept it, Lordship. I don't want to, a teenage girl, Lordship, I don't want to bring it in record and to create problem, Lordship. All this here, Lordship shows that nothing happens, and she has written all this message, Lordship, in the that don't worry, I'll talk to my father and the mother and all this. There is some misunderstanding. Now she is sending message to my brother, my sister-in-law, everyone, then some common friend that don't worry, that nothing will happen, we will withdraw the case. And then all these things will happen. My only prayer is, Lordship, my client will, every step, Lordship, will be there. But my only prayer, Lordship, is a student.
You know the provisions of the Act.
I know,
Very
but
stringent.
Lordship, now the Supreme Court, the court is very clear on that, Lordship. That is why I have given a bunch of judgment, but Lordship, I'll give it again. Lordship, may please come. Because now, Lordship, on this point, the various High Court, Lordship, this come to a conclusion, Lordship. The law is very clear now. Lordship is very correct. Now, law is other way around. Law is very clear. Lordship, it is the 2019 SCC Online, Madras 18850. Lordship, while state come to para 30 and 40. 38 and 40. The facts are the same and the age is the same. Now, only thing I want to read the 2 paragraphs only, Lordship.
Hmm. 30 and
38 and 40, Lordship.
38.
The 37, the all this year was given suggestion made on behalf of the respondent. The respondent has given some suggestion. Then 38. Apart from the above, this court is of the view that as per the third respondent's report, majority of the cases are due to the relationship between the adolescent boys and girls. Though under the section 2D of the Act, child is defined as a person below the age of 18 years. And in case of any love affairs between the girls and the boy, as in our case, Lordship, where the girl happened to be 16 or 17 years old, either in the school final or entering into the college, the relationship invariably assumes
No, but
the
what
penal
is the
character.
what is the age of consent?
Lordship, it is it. So that's true, Lordship. But now the court has given all this there, Lordship, that the
Court has given all right, but we have our because this is a statute defined act.
That's true. But
The age.
now, Lordship, in the Act also,
Now,
Lordship.
whether in a
No,
this is a criminal
penetration,
appeal.
Lordship, even the penetration is
This
defined.
is a criminal appeal.
I know.
The judgment you are reading is a criminal appeal. So there, paragraph 40, if you see, is an observation of the court
Yes.
saying that it should be 16 instead of 18.
That observation is since 1929, Lordship.
But the act says
Act
otherwise.
says otherwise, Lordship. That is from 1929, Lordship. The first law commission has said that. So it is not there, yeah, Lordship. Now, as of date, Lordship, that is there, Lordship.
So the framers of the law have given due consideration to raise it to 18.
I know, Lordship. But the court is of the view nowadays, Lordship. Lordship, may please come to the next judgment, Lordship, for a moment, Lordship. 2021 SCC Online 2470, Lordship. The next judgment, immediately next judgment, Lordship. There the is paragraph 22. Although the victim has been reasonably proved to be a minor at the time of the alleged incident, her age was 16 years and 6 months, while that the accused was 22 years. In my case, Lordship, it is 20 years, Lordship. Then, Lordship, para 33. In the present case, both PW1 and PW admitted a previous relationship between the accused and the victim. Admittedly, victim is a student of class 12, as in our case, Lordship. While the accused studied...
These are all appeals.
Yes, these are all appeals, Lordship. I agree, Lordship. But then, Lordship, please come to para 44.
Of same judgment.
Para 44 of that judgment, Lordship.
Yes.
The POCSO Act has rightly introduced to offer protection to the innocent individual from several offences. However, a draconian interpretation of the provisions thereof would merely convert it into a tool of abuse of the process of law instead of being a protective shield against the defenseless minor. Keeping in view of the definition of the child in section 2D of the said Act, even a person who is aged about 17 years and 364 days, Lordship, even it is 364 days, not 365 days, would qualify as a child, but her maturity would not be much different from the another person who was just 1 day older than the other. that is 18 years old. The court interpretation of a statute cannot be.
Sharma, you are aware that interpretation of statutes
Yes, that's
requires a different degree of materials to be considered.
And Lordship, let it keep for some year, Lordship, I'll go through it and I'll take the inspection if necessary, I'll withdraw. And otherwise, it may create problem, Lordship, for the children. Lordship. Because he's a student, Lordship,
All right,
suffering.
we'll keep it next week if you want.
Yes,
Yeah.
Any day, Lordship.
You retain the CD?
Yes, 16th, Lordship.
16th, all right, list on 16th as prayed for by the learned counsel. Meanwhile, the CD call for which has been received, be retained by the learned DPP.
Lordship.
We are giving you back the set of judgment.
Yes, Lordship, that will help.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Here, my lord.
CD.
CD, my lord. I am the owner of the vehicle, my lord, where cattle are being carried, my lord. Cattle were not stolen cattle, my lord.
You are from Jayantia Hills.
Joined the hills, my lord, but the owner, my lord, owner of the vehicle. The driver and handyman, the vehicle, everything has been seized.
What is the status of the investigation?
Investigation, my lord, the driver handyman arrested, my lord.
Cattle has been seized.
Regarding this person, my lord, there is no mention anything, my lord. He is the owner of the vehicle.
No interim.
No interim, my lord.
All right. Hard learned counsels for the parties. This AP petition is filed by the petitioner, praying for anticipatory bail apprehending arrest in connection with FIR dated 25/08/2023, lodged by the informant, one Chiranjit Lakon, who is the in charge of Bagori. What is Bagori PP?
Bagori Poop, my lord. PP, my lord.
PP?
Patrolling post, my lord.
Okay. Bagori PP. Stop. In the said affair, allegations were made in respect of seizure of 44 numbers of bullocks from a truck, 12-wheeler truck bearing number AS01 FC 9639. Stop. Besides the bullocks, the driver was arrested. The petitioner is the owner of the said vehicle. It is submitted that what were the bullocks doing?
Mala.
What were the bullocks doing?
Mala, it was being carried, my lord, from Golaghat Behora Bazaar, my lord, toward Meghalaya.
Do you have any, you have not given any details of the vehicles?
Yes, my lord, I have given, my lord, I have annexed RC, my lord.
The petitioner's counsel refers to the
Page 15, my lord.
photocopy of the registration certificate of the vehicle reflecting his name as the owner. Stop. There a CD was called for, and learned APP submits that the investigation is carried on. However, no materials are available in the CD. The investigation is still being carried on. You give us the CD.
Yes.
The CD as called for was produced to this court on careful perusal of the CD. Right, that no materials, incriminating materials are found against petitioner at this stage of investigation. Stop. Accordingly, this court is of the view that the petitioner being the owner of the vehicle, the prayer for anticipatory bail can be granted. The bail accordingly, petitioner, if arrested in connection with so and so case, shall be released upon payment of bail bond of rupees 50,000 with two local sureties, one of which would be a local surety. And subject to the following conditions, you appear within 10 days. And it shall not change his place of residence or move out of the jurisdiction of the police station without permission of the IO. AV petition disposed of, any conditions found to be violated, IO will be at liberty to pray for cancellation of the bail.
Obliged, my lord. No, owner of the vehicle, my lord. Owner, the owner of the vehicle. Obliged, my lord.
CD return.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, item 58 and 46. My lord,
Yes, yes.
58 and 46, my lord. These two methods may be taken up. One is B and one is, my lord, pre-arrest, my lord. My lord, in item, my lord is on item 58, my lord. My lord, the FI is at page number 14.
Here, service report is not.
My lord,
My friend is appearing.
Well, I
You are
was the
appearing.
informant. Just engage me. So let matter maybe day after tomorrow me taken up. Just engage me.
Day after
I
tomorrow.
have to go through the entire
Friday?
Friday.
Friday?
my lord, my lord.
Mr. A. Khan, Rennet Council, has entered appearance on behalf of the informant respondent number 2 and therefore submits that matter be taken up on Friday.
58 and 46. my lord.
58 and 46 to be listed on Friday.
Must oblige, my lord.
Meet please, your lord. Justice, on the earlier occasion, notice was issued upon the respondent by Justice Service Lordship, and notice has been served and Justice Service has been filed Lordship, which is at play tag A Lordship. And FI is at page 12 Lordship. May read it, Lord.
Yes.
সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে যোৱা ইংৰাজী 7/9/2023 তাৰিখে পুৱাৰ 10:45 মান বজাত মোৰ ছোৱালী অকলে থকা অৱস্থাত উপৰোক্ত উল্লেখিত অপেক্ষক শ্ৰী গগজানন ফুকনে মোৰ ঘৰলৈ আহি মোৰ ছোৱালী শ্ৰীমতী পৰিস্মিতা দাস বয়স 16 বছৰ 10 মাহ ভাত খুজি খাই বৈ উঠি মোৰ ছোৱালীৰ পেটত অসৎ উদ্দেশ্যেৰে সাবটি লৈ ধৰি গালত চুমা খাবলৈ লওঁতে মোৰ ছোৱালীয়ে ঘৰৰ ভিতৰৰ পৰা বাহিৰলৈ দৌৰি গৈ দেউতাকক উক্ত কথাষাৰ জনায় আৰু তাৰ পিছত মোক জনায়। ঘৰৰ ওচৰৰ চুবুৰীয়া লোকে ওলাই আহিছিল যদিও অপেক্ষক লোকজনক উক্ত স্থানৰ পৰা পলাই গ'ল। গতিকে দয়ালু মহোদয় উক্ত পক্ষগণৰ ওপৰত আইনগত বিহিত ব্যৱস্থা গ্ৰহণ কৰি প্ৰাৰ্থনা জনালো। In this case, Lordship, the actual facts, Lordship, I have stated in my petition, Lordship, at para 5, Lordship. Actually, what happened, Lordship, the petitioner before your Lordship is a petty businessman doing business in that area, and sometimes, Lordship, he used to catch fish also, Lordship, and the informant house is nearby the river bank, Lordship. And the persons who went there for fishing, Lordship, used to have their meal just outside the house of the informant, Lordship. And on that day also, Lordship, the petitioner here had, after fishing, Lordship, had taken his meal, and thereafter, Lordship, the victim girl, Lordship, victim girl, Lordship, she asked for some fees from the petitioner, to which he have denied, Lordship. That's why this instant FIR has been lost in the instigation of some other miscreants, Lordship, because those persons have
ask the petitioner not to come and face here because he have other source of earning, lordship. That is the case, lordship. And lordship, section 8 has been implicated where maximum punishment is lordship 5 years. So lordship, my humble prayer is on court, lordship, that I be allowed to go. I be allowed to given the privilege of 438 lordship 3 years bail. I will cooperate with my investing agency, lordship, and I will appear before the IO agent when required, lordship. I am the only bread earner of my family, lordship, having my minor child, lordship, in family.
What is the age of the girl?
Lordship, around 16 years. Her date of birth is 15/11/2006.
Around 17, around 7. And as per my information, lordship, in her school, this one, lordship, in register, lordship, her date of birth is recorded as 3/3/2005. I am not very sure, lordship, as per my petitioner's information, lordship, but I am not sure about that, lordship.
Yes, what do you say?
Lordship, her statement is consistent, Lordship, 164 as well as 161. And Lordship, I have also flagged marked one independent witness, Lordship, which corroborates her person, Lordship. Because when she ran away, Lordship, she met this person, Lordship. He has also stated the same facts.
Statements are there.
My respectful submission before this honorable court, lordship, since lordship notice has duly served on 30 September, lordship, and till date they are not before this honorable to object my anticipated bail application, lordship. My bail petition will be anticipated bail petition will be allowed, lordship. I will cooperate with the investigation agency and I will not leave the jurisdiction, lordship. I will fully, because I have to now, lordship, I am moving from here and there, lordship. It's difficult on my part and my family is serving, lordship. So at this stage, lordship, I will cooperate by investigation. And lordship, maximum punishment, lordship, as per the act is 5 years, lordship. And that will come on in trial, lordship, because in my reference submission I have not committed any offense, lordship. But fairly submitting, lordship, that will come in trial. I cannot say those things at this stage, lordship. But at this stage, my anticipated valuation may be allowed, lordship. So then I can appear before the IO, lordship, and also give my statement, lordship, for proper adjudication, lordship. And alleged accident.
Only in view of the statements, it is on what grounds do we consider your claims? What grounds? Tell us, give us something, some material.
I am not aware of the statements because
Whatever you may not be, but you are a resident of Tulsibari village. And the petitioner, sorry, the victim.
This lordship, they would be nearby village, lordship. I admit, lordship, I visited there. I visited there for fishing, lordship, but these allegations are completely false, lordship. That will come in trial, lordship. I am quite sure. But at this stage, I have no material because I am not able to appear before the IO to record my statement, lordship. At this stage, lordship, lordship, moreover, lordship, may peruse. I should not submit, but for the sake of my client, lordship, the FIR is lost on the next day, lordship, after almost 36 hours, lordship. I should not submit. Before submitting that one, I submitted. I should not submit, lordship.
All right.
At this stage, lordship, my
pass orders.
Petition may be allowed, lordship. I will cooperate with the investigating agency.
No, what is there to cooperate? What cooperation will you give?
For
You cooperate, we are permitting you to cooperate
lordship,
by putting you in custody.
that will, lordship, will prejudice my family, lordship, and to me also, lordship. All the allegations are false, lordship, and
We'll pass orders. Yes.
lordship, for a moment, lordship, may peruse my petition at the time of passing of the order, lordship, paragraph 5, because FIR has been lodged in the instigation of some other persons, lordship.
Who are the other persons?
Lordship,
which person will instigating it?
Other fishermen, lordship, who have asked me not to do fishing on that river bank, lordship, because I have other source of earning, lordship. This I have stated in my paragraph, lordship, in paragraph 5, lordship, specifically, lordship. So, lordship, on that ground, lordship, my will be allowed.
Who are the other persons? You should have named them. Somebody.
Lordship, in that case, I will have to file one additional affidavit, lordship, to bring on record those facts, lordship.
No, like bring it on record, whatever you want.
And lordship,
Please, next week.
And lordship,
Next week or after vacation?
Next week, no interim is there, lordship. So,
next week.
Lordship, I will be also be directed to produce the, lordship, record of the that was school register, lordship, because as per my information, lordship, as per school register, lordship, her date of birth is 3/3/2005.
We'll go by the birth certificate.
Yes, lordship, that is true.
The matter will be listed on 17th.
Lordship, on 18th or 16th.
18th. By which date learned counsel be permitted to file the additional affidavit. CD receipt be retained.
Deeply obliged.
Why is it for orders?
Wait, lordship, my lord, the criminal petition is filed, but I see the other side is not present, though we have taken steps long back. And there is also interim order.
AD has been received back. AD card has been received back.
So that
office note dated 6/10/2023 reflects AD card in respect of sole respondent has been received back. Accordingly, matter be listed. Next week or
after vacation?
After vacation.
Interim order may kindly become.
Be listed on 20 November. Interim order passed earlier. Interim order passed on 17/7. We'll continue till the next. Yes, Mr. Gill.
My lord, what the wife has engaged that she's given a Vagatnama, but we will require the person's signature. He's in jail, my lord. Will you filing wakalat now?
It is submitted by Mr. N. Mahajan that he has received instructions to appear on behalf of the respondent,
Sole respondent.
sole respondent. He would like to file the power within 1 week.
1 week.
Within 1 week. Matter will be listed again on.
Can it be after vacation? Will require instruction.
We filed. He praised leave to file the wakalat and complete his instructions. Stop accordingly. Matter will be listed after 3 weeks.
Well, so the interim order is there.
Interim order dated 7/8. What was the impugned order?
The bail was stayed. Impugned order was stayed.
Bail was granted.
Yes, bail was granted. It was stayed.
So where is he? He is still inside.
In jail.
You did not waste any time coming here. Immediately.
But still, there are so many cases pending against this petitioner. The respondent.
All right. List on 20 November.
Well, oblige me. Lordship, matter में भी pass over पूरा time नहीं.
Matter be adjourned for the day. For the day, at the request of Mr. Swens. Yes. So work it out. Yes, Mr. Talukdar.
My lord, 438 application, my lord. In the FIR, my name is not appeared. In this charge sheet, I have been shown as absconder accused. And my lord, earlier, I filed a criminal petition that was order passed on 18/9/2023. And non-bailable warrant was stayed for 15 days. But I could not appear. I was working as security guard. Now, my lord, I filed the anticipatory bail petition. I face the trial. And my lord, after search it, anticipatory bail petition also maintainable. So, my lord, I will be allowed to appear before the Chief Judicial Magistrate and to face the trial. In the meantime, I will.
We'll have to call for the scan copy to find out what is the status.
Status, my lord, I have enclosed all the orders.
What is there? Mr. Gogoi, what do you say?
Scan copy, my lord.
Scan copy would be required for satisfaction.
Page 34 to 42, I have enclosed all the orders.
Maybe.
This is 2017, 22. When is the next date?
No, search frame. Search frame already. Trial start.
Case is now pending.
In your absence, charges frame.
My lord. All the cases, all the accused were appeared.
Except you.
My lord. I was working in.
So we'll call for the scan copy. Heard Mr. P. Talukdar, Learned Counsel, the petitioner, Mr. P.P. Gogoi, PP for the state. This AP petition is filed with the petitioner praying for anticipatory bail in connection with
Kochua PS case number.
Kochua PS case number
1582014 under section
158 of 2014 under section so and so.
Pending in the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Nagaon.
Chief Judicial Magistrate. Search frame होना है क्या है?
Sir, trial held.
302 case. ये कहने के कोई हो? किसी में?
कहने तो है.
Read with section 27 arms act. Are you sure charge has been framed?
I do not know. Today it is listed for motion.
So you
my
get
friend
your,
has, Talukdar says that charge sheet that is there. He has annexed.
Where is that?
Yes, page 25.
25.
page 25.
I mean, the petitioner has been shown as absconder accused.
Where is the name of the petitioner?
14 or
My lord, my only prayer, my lord, he may be appeared.
You can appear. Why did you not appear earlier?
No, my lord, I was working as security guard at Chennai.
You get the instructions where the charge sheet has been filed. We'll have to call for the record. Case record.
Charge sheet he has
No, he has annexed, but
already
there is no-
annexed, my lord.
Where
That
is
is-
it filed? Where is, for which court?
Let the scan copy be called for, my lord. It will
From
be
which
clear.
court? From which court?
Oh, that is the
Pending before which court?
a long day.
Let it be on Monday, you get the instruction.
Yes.
Or on Friday, if you can get it.
Telephonic inspection I will take.
On Friday?
Yes.
All right, on Friday. Friday is only to find out before which court the matter is pending.
Yes.
PCM court.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Let him get the instructions. List on Friday. On Friday. On which date learned MPP will obtain instructions with regard to the status of the case regarding filing of charge sheet and particulars of the charge sheet being filed before which court. The particulars of yes.
May please, Your Honor. The 430 replication notice. FAA notice will find page 8 notice. The capital transportation related case notice. The petitioner is the owner of a vehicle notice. The commercial vehicle notice I have annexed the vehicle registration certificate page 12 notice.
All right, heard learned counsel for the petitioner call for CD. Petitioner claims to be the owner of a vehicle bearing number so and so. The allegation is that the vehicle was transporting 24 numbers of goods from Demo to Nogao, Rupohi. Call for CD. In the meantime, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of ₹30,000 with one local security of like amount. They shall appear before the IO within 10 days from today. He shall not move out of the jurisdiction of the so-and-so police station without written permission of the IO or change his address. Within 10 days.
After vacation.
List on when?
After vacation, any day. Question.
20 November?
Yes.
Sorry, my lord, it was called for.
No,
I
no,
couldn't
no. Yes.
So this is 438. Interim bail was granted by this honorable court. There is some dispute between the petitioner and between the informant. And kindly see, my lord, what is the dispute? It started with a dispute of lodging, how an FIR has been lodged. This is at page 31, before going to the FIR. Page 31, there is dispute in respect of land where I was, that's my land, and where fishing has been done by me. So at page 31, there was a dispute, and on that dispute, I filed an application of 145. My lord will kindly see. First party, Fakhruddin is the petitioner before your lordship. First party so-and-so, original sale deed. Now kindly see also the original sale deed. Second party with any valid document. The land deed and the so-and-so revealed land description was purchased by Abdul Khalik. That's my father. Father of us regarding fishing cultivation. Allowed is advantage, hence case is disposed of. So now this is what against this, my lord,
At page 32, a review application was filed. Kindly see at page 32, my lord.
Yes.
And this order was reviewed. So and also peruse the order of so and so. From this, the order of this, you have a temporary, it has been stayed. So the order passed was stayed. The order of at page 31 was stayed. Against that, I file a revision before the learned session court at page 33. Revision application was filed, and at page 40, that order was stayed at page 40. Kindly see in considering above, revision admitted, the operation of the impugned order shall remain stayed, and so we are enjoying. Now, there was a lot of problem in spite of that order, my lord. So 107 application was filed before at page 41 by me against all those persons concerned. And accordingly, my lord, page 40 is very, very important. Kindly see at page 41, my lord. Very important. 42. Last paragraph. Therefore, the accused person abused us in obscene language and threatened to kill us. The accused person also used threat that they would tarnish my image by bringing false allegation of outraging modesty of women and spreading of communal violence against me. I am extremely scared and appeal my threats of the accused. It is therefore, Your Honor, would be pleased to draw a proceeding under so and so. So, my lord will kindly see the 44. Kindly note the date, my lord, 44 on the top, on the left, on the right hand side of the column is 24/2/2023, and which was forwarded to OC on 24/0/2023. Lordship noted the note. Now, when the FIR was filed, my lord, kindly see now, which might I was threatened, my lord. They lost the FIR at page 25. 25 date, kindly see, my lord. 9/5/2023. Now, and this complaint was filed on 25/3/2023 at page 28. Much prior, after.
Where is the FIR against which?
Now I am showing the FIR. The FIR, because I have to connect. FIR is, it starts at page 21. Type copy. 21.
This is
It's a CR case.
CR case.
Yes. 156(3), my lord. Forwarded.
So,
please kindly see.
direction was granted to register an FIR.
Yes, right. So at page 22, kindly see, my lord. First 4 paragraphs, kindly see. Complainant above name begs to say that he has some land dispute accused in case on 24/2/2023. Accused for obtained permission from Honorable ADM Court, getting an order passed in connection with so and so, and release water from the fishery, whereby I appeared in that court and producing some relevant document in the Honorable Court. I got this said order state, and taking police from police station to spot, I prevent the accused person catching fishes. Because of this act, the accused got enraged and around so and so. Accused accompanied by some other person trespassed into my house, and when he started calling us, uttering the name of so and so, I came up to the house of my sister-in-law so and so, left home. When the accused person asked me to take the male members of my family outside the house, I told them the so and so. Accused person hurled abuses at me and uttering such person so and so. These are what this is uttered, man. We always remain under us in the society, bring all the male members of family out of house immediately, failing which you won't spare, though you are a woman, you will finish off. So these are the allegations, demeaning, lower caste, all these, my lords. So a case was registered, my lord, at page 24 under the Prevention of SC/ST Atrocity Act. And the case registered at page 30. How it was sent under 156(3), my lord, on a complaint at page 30. Case is registered, prayer is so and so, deemed allowed prayer, forwarding incident occurrence for investigation. So, my lord, this is, there are few more This is what we apprehended, my lord, they will lodge the FIR. That's why 107 application was filed. We thought these are all disputes. Somehow they will lodge an FIR against me. So I was apprehensive also. So that is why, and a title suit also has been filed. Kindly see, my lord. The suit has been filed at page. Suit has been filed at page 47. I file a suit at page 47. This is the suit which has been filed. And 52 is the order of injunction.
What is your name?
My name is Fakhruddin, the petitioner. So all this suit has been filed, injunction. There is an injunction. I took an injunction order from the court also. I apprehended that they will come and lodge an FIR against me. So 107, at that time, I apprehended. Oh, the suit will decide.
Yes.
What is the case there?
Yes, Lordship, diary received. Here he is in interim. Appeared before IO, his statement recorded. Only one thing must I point out, that is, my lord, Prevention of STSC Atrocity Act 438 is bar, my lord.
Judgment of Supreme Court judgment. 2020. There is a judgment of 2020.
That it is permissible.
Yes. So it's depending on the facts to facts. I'm a person. Kindly see, man.
Section
That's 2024 SC 727. The section that is definitely, man, there is a bar. 11, 12, and 32. Kindly see para 11. 11, 12, kindly see. 11, 12.
Yes.
See para 11 of the judgment. 2020. My lord, my learned friend want to show first, my lord.
Yes.
The act he wants to show.
Your lordship, I think.
Yes. Yes, yes, we have it. Page section
18.
18.
18,
18.
15,
18. 18.
18.
482 I know scale it.
Not to apply. Then what does the judgment say?
Kindly see para 11, man. Considering the applicability of provision of section 438 CRPC, it shall not apply to the cases under 1989 Act. However, if the complaint does not make out a prima facie case for the applicability of the provision of 1989 Act, the bar created by section 1818A Roman 1 shall not apply. We have clarified this aspect while deciding the review petition. So prima facie, if I can show that this is not applicable, my lord, these are all concocted, all these cases, because of those.
No.
cases.
Prima facie not applicable the provisions of this act.
Yes, that's why I'm saying, my lord. Kindly see now how. Now pay para 32, my lord. Para 11 and 12. Kindly see para 12. The court can, in exceptional circumstances, exercise power under section 482 say questioning the cases to prevent.
It's 482.
482. We can come for questioning also because that is 18(1)(a) bars.
We are on the question of applicability of 438.
Right. But whether it totally debars. Totally debars.
Prima facie, if it is not shown, so what is an offense under this act?
Yes.
Supreme
Court. Supreme Court. There is one judgment, my learned friend is saying there is one judgment of this court. I have not gone to that judgment, Honorable Justice
Mani Chaudhary has passed that law. I have not seen. So I should go to that judgment also. Because there's a ultimately will be a coordinate bench. So I think I should go to the judgment. My learned friend has said that there is a judgment. So let it come after vacation, my.
All right.
Already.
Interim is there, no, there, interim.
Heard learned counsel for the parties submitted that councils would like to place certain judgments before the court. Therefore, matter stands adjourned at the request of the council for the petitioner. List
CDB retain or return
CD.
after vacation.
You get an updated CD since you are already on interim.
Yes, I'm. That will continue.
List on 22nd November. We listed on 22nd November. Interim order passed early will continue. The APP is permitted to send back the CD and call for updated CD as prayed for by the next date fixed.
I just want to see that what is the judgment passed. Important, coordinate bench, ultimately.
Important for us also.
Yes, that's why I'm saying I don't want, I just, if my learned friend said, I thought that I should go through it.
You give the citation to the court master.
But
Yes.
normally, my lord, 482.
Ah,
Normally it's 482. But face of it, I have to show. Suppose
Prima
the
facie.
section is in, section they have written, that section so and so, which attracts for 482, but prima facie I have to show it. Deeply obliged.
yes.
Lordship, one humble prayer, Milord. Item number 61, Lordship, it was passed over Milord for the day. There's some urgency there, like Lordship can take it up even in the last matter of the day, Milord. There's urgency, Milord.
Take it up.
Lordship, obliged, Milord.
No? 61. So the conducting council, Mr. Ahmed is a election under code. That will be those for timing.
No, for the day. Let it come up on Friday. Friday. CD received in
NCB.
Oh, this is NCB, all right. Friday. At the request of learned counsel. Non-NDPS.
It was picked up two.
Two. Oh, fix that. All right.
Huh?
Mr. Chaudhary was awaiting half an hour this court. Can we fix at 2 at least?
All right. At 2. Are we back?
Can it be at 2, Lord?
At 2.
Okay.
Well.
My lord, here, my lord.
Yes.
This call center matters, my lord.
They,
my lord, these are all employees, my lord. No money transaction, nothing, my lord. We don't call. We receive calls, my lord, and we are getting paid for it. Only case diary, my lord. Can it be on, my lord, with all respect, my lord, on 13th, my lord. Already 1 month there, my lord. 60 day period offense. They have given 467. that would never come into play because everything through computer. My lord.
Let it be on 16th.
16th,
16th.
my lord, my lord.
All for CD on fixed on 16th. 16th is all right?
My lord.
Mr. Sharma. Mr. B.K. Mahajan for the petitioner, Mr. Sharma for the
My lord.
current APP. All for CD on 16th.
My lord, my lord. Same, my lord.
Same order. He's also an employee or the owner?
Employees, my lord, not the owners, my lord. Different footing, my lord. Same employees, my lord.
Okay.
Highly obliged, my lord. Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
I'm sorry, my lord, I was talking about.
Not at all. Not at all.
What a child marriage, my lord.
Oh,
This, she is my lord 16 years, about 17 years, my lord. And marriage took place on 1/1/22.
he is the what?
His husband,
Husband.
arrested my lord on
310.
310.
So
And your lordship can see the section 9, 10, and these are not, POXO is also my identified.
POXO 6.
And your lordship knows earlier also this honorable court held, POXO is not able in this type of.
you will have to call for the CD.
That is there, the one is in custody matter, that much I agree to your lordship. It is,
No, but let us have a look at the CD.
my lord, before vacation, my lord, that must, my lord.
Before vacation, can you get it? 18.
18 not.
They will make an endeavor, my lord.
18.
18.
18 October. Third Planet Council for the petitioner, Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary, assisted by Mr. A.Z. Ahmed. And Mr. Sharma for state APP. All for CD, along with any medical necessary. No. CD along with medical. Fixed on 18th. 18th of October. Yes.
So in this case, I'm hearing from the respondent. There are two applications, one for bail, another for
Revision.
default bail. The contention is that charge sheet was filed beyond, and although extension was granted by the trial court, but that was defective. That is their contention. But if lower courts LCR were called for, but that not been received by the.
Not received.
Yes, sir.
No, he says it has been received.
But I have checked up the record, it is not there.
9 years. Huh? Office note dated 310 reflects that. No, it is there. They enclose some paragraph Z, like Z. Is there.
Only one order is there.
Only one order, yes. So nothing has proceeded.
Lordship, in this case, their contention is that although extension was granted at section 36A of the NDPS Act, but that was not as per law, because there is no independent report of the public prosecutor. There is no independent report of the public prosecutor, Lordship. And notice was not served on the accused. That is two grounds they have assailed this order. So Lordship may call for the record because it will be necessary.
The petitioner is not here.
Scan copy of the entire NCR. Maybe.
Scan copy of status report. Okay.
That was for the purpose of bail. Lordship. In this case, final complaint has been filed within the extended period. Now they are in one petition.
Petitioner on call. Mr. Ezekiel appears for the customs. This is customs.
No, Lordship, this is NCB. Yes, Lordship, yes, it is custom law.
Customs department, who is opposing the bail prayer made by the petitioner. By earlier orders, the scan copy of the status report was called for, and the same is received, which reflects that the bail petition of the petitioner seeking default bail has been rejected. Stop accordingly. Scan copy of the LCR. It is further submitted that final report.
Yes, that has already been filed. Lord.
Do you call it charge sheet or final report?
We are called a final report. In
A
form of
report
complaint.
after completion of the investigation has been filed by the prosecuting agency. It is submitted that the scan copy of the LCR we call for. Considering the prayers made, let's scan copy of the LCR we call for. Where is it coming from? Karimganj. From the Court of Session Judge Karimganj in Special NDPS case number 1 of 2023. List on let us try on 18th, 18th October. And in the criminal petition, okay, list along with the bail petition on 18th.
Your lordship, 103 days behind the bar lordship. In this case, what has happened? During the course of investigation in this particular case, lordship, the petitioner was shown arrest in another case, lordship. And thereafter, the petitioner approached this honorable court by filing another bail application, which was 3137/2023. In their charge sheet has been filed, lordship. That bail application was disposed of with regard to the submission made by the learned additional PP. The charge sheet has been filed, lordship. But in this case, charge sheet has not been filed, lordship.
Charge sheet not filed, CD received.
Yes,
What materials, if at all?
Lordship, here it involves commercial quantity. Around 48.98 kg of ganja was recovered.
What is the stage of investigation?
Lordship, it is pending for receipt of the FSL report, Lordship. Lordship, now, since it is around 103 days, statutory period is 180 days. Lordship, can it be listed after vacation along with the FSL report?
All right.
Can it be after, before vacation, anything?
180 days, Lordship.
We will have it immediately after vacation.
Lordship.
It is submitted by Mr. Bordoloi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner has been in custody for 103 days. So Mr. Sorma, Learned APP, submits that the petition, although the CD is received, the FSL report as called for has not yet been received. It's submitted that the mandatory period is 180 days under the NDPS, considering that commercial quantity was recovered from the petition. He therefore submits that the state be permitted to, he therefore submits that he be permitted to call for the FSL report. Accordingly, let the FSL report be called for along with the CD based on 10th November.
Lordship.
10 November.
Obliged.
Yes.
May I please? So this is NCB NDPS case, my lord.
Yes.
And it's regarding the cough syrup, Pastoric cough syrup. Kindly turn, my lord, page 45. That is the charge.
45.
45 pages.
Yes.
There is a charge framed on 14 March 2022. I was arrested on 18/6/2019. And today is 1,573 days. This is you all were found in possession of 10 cartons of 1,077 bottles of codeine-based Pastorex cough syrup. and that you thereby committed an offense punishable under section 21C.
What is the stage of the trial now?
My lord, the trial is proceeding at very snail's pace. Only 2 witnesses have been examined, and the prosecution, they continuously they have taken 11 days adjournment.
Why?
Recently. They were not bringing the idea, and the rest of the 2 accused, my lord, kindly see their bail application. They are on bail. I am the driver, and the number 1 Ratan Chironia, he is the stockist. From Ratan Chironia, this consignment allegedly were purchased by the Insan Ali, who is the wholesaler. And Insan Ali gave me those consignment packets to deliver it to another accused who is now dead.
The contraband item was seized from your
Yes,
vehicle.
I am the driver. It belonged to Insan Ali. That it is not disputed, man. And both kindly see the page 50, my lord. The bail order of Ratan Chironia, page 50, my lord. And may I take your attention to 51 page, my lord.
Yes.
51, para 6. And Mr. S.C.K. Learned Counsel for Respondent contends that the other than reputable drug distributor license chemist, the applicant sold cough syrup to other persons who have no license. Now, 9. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case, it would be for the trial court to consider whether provisions of NDPS Act can be invoked against the applicant. It is simple case of violation of condition of license granted under the Drugs Act for this consignment. And so considering I allow the application. This is for Ratan Chirania. He was granted bail after 60 days of arrest. And the second one is, my lord, kindly see page 53. This is the bail order of another accused, Insan Ali, who is the wholesaler. And against that person also, the NCB raised objection, saying that this was his second offense. So after 1,049 days of custody, he has been granted bail on 3/8/23 because of this snail space in which the.
And who are you?
I'm the driver, my lord.
Your bail petition was rejected earlier.
No, my lord.
What is your name?
Pranab Das.
So whose bail petition is there? 57.
57, my lord.
Oh,
That was withdrawal.
Withdrawal. Okay.
And the position where this bail of Insan Ali was granted, the status is same. In that case, also only 2 witnesses were examined till then, and the status is still remained.
Different matters or same case?
Same case. Same case. The observation here is that only 2 witnesses were examined till that date, and still only 2 witnesses were examined. They were taking 11 adjournments continuously. So, my lord, I am a driver, I am a poor person, my lord. And the stockist and the wholesaler, they are on bail. So my submission is that allow me to go on bail so that I can also depend on my case properly. Because my whole family has been shattered, my lord, and my economic condition is totally shattered.
Yes, Mr. Kyal.
Lordship, may come to page 32 of the bail application.
Yes.
Paragraph 49.
49.
Lordship. All established during investigation, Pranab Das,
Yes.
that on 19/6/2019, 1077 bottles of Destructs codeine date syrup, base number 20, was seized from the shipped car, and Pranab Das was present in the car at the time of seizure. Pranab Das could not produce any valid drug license or any other document.
Whose car is this?
Lordship.
Whose car is this?
The car belonged to another person. The owner of the car was different person. Insan Ali gave me those consignment to deliver it to another co-accused who is now dead. That is the allegation. It is admitted that this whole consignment belonged to Insan Ali. There is no dispute.
What about any material to suggest that he is involved in other cases?
None.
Or habitual?
In this case, it is not there.
Not there.
Nothing.
I guess Insan Ali, another case was pending in court of session judge.
But have you filed any application for cancellation?
Lordship, yes, we have moved the Honorable Supreme Court against the order. And Lordship, in this case, I filed my affidavit. Probably this is not tagged with the record also. On 29/9. And by last order, Lordship, this Honorable Court directed the registry to tag with this. Today, I have confirmed from the registry there is no defect that has been sent to the registry, to the section.
No, your affidavit has been filed,
Yes, we filed on 29/9/2019, 23.
but affidavit it has not been received.
Yes, Lordship, but today I have confirmed from my clerk. He said that it is laying in the section, criminal section. It has not been taken in spite of the order of this Honorable Court. Lord.
Okay, let the affidavit be brought on record.
We have
Uh,
received the copy of that.
Mr. Your name, please?
G. Sakia.
G.
G.
Sakia Learned Counsel appears for the petitioner, who submits that petitioner has been in custody since
This 18/6/2019.
18/6/2019. It is submitted that the other co-accused have been released on bail in the meantime. The present petitioner is a driver of the vehicle from which the contraband items were seized. So it is submitted, these items does not belong to him. He was merely told to transport these items and deliver it to another person. Stop. He was not aware that these were contraband goods. Stop. Mr. Keal, Mr. S.C. Keal, and counsel appearing for NCB,
Lordship.
submits that uh, an affidavit has been filed in the matter, copy of which has also been served on the counsel for the petitioner. However, the same is not available on record. Mr. Keal has pointed out that by the earlier order dated 3/10/2023, there was a direction by this court to verify and connect the said affidavit stated to have been filed. However, the office report dated 6/10 reflects that no affidavit has been received by the registry. Stop. But Mr. Keal insists that an affidavit has been filed on
29/9/29, 23.
14/9.
29.
29/9/2023. Therefore, the registry is directed to Mr. KL submits that as per information received, the affidavit which was filed on 29/9/2023 could be available in the registry of section, concerned section. Stop. Taking the note of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the NCB, registry is directed to once again verify and trace out, verify whether the affidavit has been filed, and if so, trace out and connect the said affidavit to the case records. Matter be listed on 17th?
17 November.
17 November. All right.
Much of.
Oh, next, my lord, I'm sorry, this 17th is.
17th October.
Yes, sir. Obliged.
Wait, your lord. Lord, in this case, I was granted pre-arrest bail, my lord. While granting the bail, a condition was imposed, my lord, that I should not leave the jurisdiction without prior permission. Page 42 is the condition, my lord. Condition number 4, my lord.
Yes.
Page 42, lord. The condition was imposed while granting the bail, my lord, pre-arrest bail, that I should not leave the territorial jurisdiction without prior permission, my lord. May I read? Page 42, lord.
40?
42, lord.
42. Yes.
Condition number 4, my lord. The petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission, my lord. Now, my lord, we have prepared this script, my lord, on 2 counts, my lord. One, my lord, we are praying for in the interim, my lord. We want to go from today itself, my lord, 10th to, my lord, 15th of November to Manipur, my lord, which is my home state, my lord. That interim prayer is there, my lord.
For
And,
what?
my lord, my family is there. I am the vice chancellor posted, my lord, at Pokrasar, my lord, university. And because of the puja vacation, my lord, I want to spend my puja vacation with my family, my lord. For this is a prayer, my lord. And the second, my lord, that we are also praying, but this order has been
Your
passed on.
family can come and stay with you.
Lord, whole the family is there, my lord.
Your family can join you. You are under a scanner, Mr. Counsel.
That
You
is-
have got a bail. Now you want to play around with the conditions.
If your lordship sees the condition, my lord, total how it is proceeded with, my lord, in the matter. FIR was lodged on 35/2022.
No, no, you are now filing the IA for modification of the conditions. That's all.
There too, no, my lord.
Ah.
One, my lord, my prayer is that I may be allowed, my lord, to visit my family for 1 month.
That
lord.
is, you
That is-
you visit it, you subject
Yes.
to the permission being granted by the court.
Yes, lordship. And second is, my lord, we are praying for modification of this order.
Which
This
order?
This, my lord, order, my lord. Will order, my lord, the condition number 4. If your lordship sees the list of, my lord, how the case is proceeded, my lord, the FIR, if
The
your lordship-
condition says you will not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission.
permission.
So you apply for permission.
This is a prayer for permission is there, my lord. This petition
No,
is
no,
for permission.
which court? What is the stage of the investigation?
It is still pending investigation, my lord. If your lordship sees my prayer, my lord, page 12, my lord,
Page 12.
page 12, lordship.
Yes.
In the interim, your lordship may please to allow the accused applicant Lasiram Ladu Singh to visit his family in Manipur during puja vacation between 10th October to 15th November.
And what else? What else is your prayer?
My lord, if your lordship does see the main prayer, my lord, we are praying that this condition be, my lord, deleted. Reasons is, my lord, if your lordship takes the CRPC, my lord, 438 CRPC, my lord, the condition is that, my lord, that one should not leave the territorial jurisdiction of the country, my lord. 438, my lord. If you may I read, my lord, for a moment, lordship permit. And we will take your lordship to a list of dates. So here the court should be the court in India, my lord. Condition number 3, 438, lordship takes up. A condition that the person shall not leave India without the previous permission of the court, my lord.
4, which section you are reading?
438, my lord.
Yes.
Subsection 2, in condition number Roman 3, my lord.
Yes.
The lordship takes up, my lord. A condition that the person shall not leave India without previous permission of the court, my lord. So the condition that the legislature wants to impose was, my lord, within India, my lord. Now, my lord, if your lordship takes up the how this case has proceeded with, my lord, the FIR was lodged, my lord, on 35, my lord.
It says any other condition.
Yes, any other condition, my lord, but when there is a specific condition, my lord, that we should not leave the jurisdiction of India, my lord. So it should not be restricted to that particular. This is my one submission, my lord. Even if it is there, my lord, then also at least I should be right to movement is a fundamental that will granted to me, my lord.
Nobody is restraining it. You just need a permission to move. That's
Yes,
all.
my lord. So no, one is permission.
What do you say?
My lord, yes. Here condition is very much clear, my lord.
You file your objections if you have.
My lord, yes.
Lordship, in the interim, I may be allowed, my lord, so because I've been doing.
Actually, the matter should go before the appropriate
Yes, my lord, but
bench.
My lord,
because
yes.
that bench is not available, my lord, that is the difficulty.
And moreover, my lord, your lordship may see. Yes, tomorrow that court is available, my lord.
Then before appropriate bench, we'll say
Lordship, yes.
registry to listed before appropriate bench.
Day after tomorrow, then, my lord.
Day after tomorrow.
In the meantime, if my learned friend can obtain instruction, my lord, because what happened in this matter, my lord, my instruction
He is the
that-
mighty PP. He doesn't require instructions. All his instructions are with him.
If only my submission, my lord.
What instructions will you require?
Lordship,
You are I
whether the
making a prayer for
My
modification.
instruction is, my lord, objection is obviously coming from my investigating officer, my lord.
more or
If
less,
they want,
no,
my
my
lord.
lord. Only what has happened in this case, my lord, just
But
for
puja is a beautiful time to be in Guwahati. You invite your families to come and spend with you.
you want to visit, he has not visited since, my lord, the day of the FIR, my lord. So he at least want to visit, and he's going to retire also, my lord.
So he should be happy that he's got a bail with these conditions.
Only thing is a 1 month permission is there, my lord, that much is there. only.
All right,
Day
let
after
it be
tomorrow, madam.
before day after tomorrow, let
Yeah,
us see what.
what-
Okay.
Much obliged.
I'm obliged.
Day after.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Met with lordship. My lord, I am the read petitioner, my lord. On behalf of the husband, my lord. Husband filed this present revision petition against the wife, my lord. And my lord, the maintenance was 2,500 per month and 10,000 compensation. And we filed an appeal before.
Where is the
district.
impugned order?
My lord, the impugned order at page number 1616, my
61,
lord. 116.
16.
Right.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, as a fact of the matter, my lord,
Hmm.
the petitioner married the opposite party, my lord. After the marriage, my lord, 15 days after the marriage, my lord, she went to her parents' house to visit and saying that he will come immediately. My lord, thereafter she did not come. We repeatedly went there, my lord. My parents and my all family members went there, but she did not come back, my lord. Said that he will not come again, my lord, after 15 days. We came to know that there was another fact, one Kayu, he's a boy of that village, my lord. There was a relationship, my lord, illegal relationship with her, my lord, before the marriage. So, my lord, by being misguided by Kayu, my lord, he has decided not to come to the petitioner matter. And the petitioner actually, after trying to return her back, thereafter, my lord, what happened, my lord, the talak was taken place, my lord. Then she filed a false case, my lord, regarding cruelty, my lord, saying that some mental, physical punishment like that, my lord. That was proceeded before the trial court. And trial court observed that there was no any criminal offense against the petitioner, so he is acquitted. I have annexed the judgment, my lord, of the trial court of acquittal, my lord, annexer A, my lord, page number 9, my lord, order of acquittal, my lord. And
Page number 9.
9.
Yes.
My lord, in this judgment, my lord, everything is recorded here, my lord.
498A.
Yeah, 498A.
No, what is the judgment at page number 18?
Page number 18, my lord. Page number 18, my lord, that judgment is passed by the trial court in the Domestic Violence Act, my lord, claiming
What
maintenance.
was the finding?
My lord, finding is that 2,500 per month was directed to be paid by the petitioner, and 10,000 compensation was directed, my lord. My lord, that was not possible, my lord, because he's a Bhansari school fees and no payment is paid to him, my lord, from the authority, my lord. That is, the headmaster was examined as SCW1, and headmaster clearly said that he is not being paid, my lord, any salary. And some other witnesses were examined, my lord. I have categorically stated that they are saying that the opposite party is not coming because she is having an illicit relationship with one Kayum. So she will not come again, my lord. Now the relationship is going.
Where is the evidence to that effect?
My lord, evidence, lordship may kindly see, I have collected some document, my lord. CW1 may be seen from the LCR, my lord.
Okay, we'll take it up on Thursday or some other day. Thursday?
My lord,
Only the one judgment, one paragraph, my lord. Is it page 43, my
43. Yes.
Para 17, my lord, judgment of the district judgment.
Mm.
From the evidence, it is also clear that after discovering the illicit relationship between Mortaza and Qayyum, Idris Ali did not file any case, nor convene any meeting seeking an action of the village level against the Qayyum. Before the pronouncement of Talak, Idris Ali did not try to convene any meeting inviting the village head or the family members, family elders. It is also come to the court that Idris Ali marries again. It has come to the Idris Ali did not pay any mohar mohar amount and also made any provision to Mortaza so that she can earn her livelihood. Therefore, Idris Ali was totally uncared and future of the divorced wife Mortaza. Actually, there is no talak by the Idris Ali in the legal sense. The pronouncement of the talak by Idris Ali was just a fraud. An allegation was brought against her wife by Idris Ali, but not a sincere attempt was made to substantiate the said allegation before the learned court below. Therefore, it is crystal clear that the Mortaza was driven out from a matrimonial home just to marry again by the Idris Ali. It is also stated by the Mortaza that she is ill-treated by her other opposite parties for dowry and other valuable articles. It is not come to the evidence that opposite parties or the initiative of the opposite party to attempt to make to unite both Mortaza and Idris and also resolve the difference between them. That is the finding of the district judge, my lord, and upheld the order of the trial court.
My lord, if there is, my lord, mental, physical torture or driven out like that, my lord, in this regard, my lord, the 498 case was filed, my lord, and my lord, all the allegations were examined and found that, my lord, no allegation is there. That is why the petitioner is acquitted, my lord. So for, now the present status is concerned, my lord, the maintenance, my lord, whether she is entitled to get the maintenance or not. But my lord, it is her personal interest. She has willingly went.
You have not brought anything in evidence to support that she is continuing to live with some other person and doesn't require maintenance. That's for you to bring out.
Lordship, only one page may be seen, my lord, of PW1, my lord. Page number 2, that is from the LCR, or in the main copy, my lord, from the judgment, my lord.
Yes. PW.
PW1.
Yes.
My lord, page number 20 may be seen for a moment. Page number 20. Para 3. Notice was issued to the respondent side, and on receipt of the same respondent, we were the respondent, my lord. Respondent appeared in the case and filed written statement. In the written objection, they have accepted the grievance. Aggrieved lady was married to respondent number 1 on 17/7/11. However, they have denied all the allegations leveled against them. They have stated that all.
So you have admitted that she is your wife. You are married.
I am admitting, my lord.
But you have to also bring on record to show that she has got sources to sustain herself, which doesn't require maintenance.
My lord, that is examined and the witnesses, my lord, deposed that, my lord. PW1, my lord, lordship may kindly see from the LCR, only one page may be seen, my lord.
Is it not reflected in the judgment?
Yes, judgment also reflected, my lord. Really, we have. Yes, page number 27 may be seen, my lord. Page number 27, third line, my lord. She has a love affair with Qayyum.
Which line you are reading?
Third line, my lord. Line number 3, my lord. Page 27.
Yes.
My lord, it was observed by the Lana trial court also. Qayyum. She stated that aggrieved lady and family had done such act in order to misappropriate borrowed money.
You did not file any application. Your divorce is not accepted by a court of law.
Yes, my lord.
Or you have to file an application properly to say that you have divorced. The
No, that
talaq which you
application
have
was-
given.
That application was not submitted, my lord.
So
Actually, I have taken the. verbal
unless there is
instruction.
material to support that either you have divorced her or she has willingly gone away with, for which there is substantial evidence, or she is able to sustain herself. These are primarily the three grounds on which you have to, whether you are required to pay maintenance or not. And what do you do
My lord, I'm a teacher and my lord.
without any
headmaster-
salary?
Headmaster was examined and it was, headmaster stated that I am not getting salary.
So how do you survive? How are you surviving?
Some cultivation or like that, my lord.
So therefore you have to say that you are not getting salary from your services, but you are earning your livelihood from cultivation. Have you stated anywhere?
In my petition, revision petition, my lord.
Is it available in the evidence somewhere?
Yes, my lord. That is stated, my lord.
The court has rather returned a finding to say that you did not bring any evidence on record in support of your income.
My lord, so far income is concerned, my lord, I have stated that I have no landed property, I have no income. And the headmaster also saying that I am not getting any salary, my lord. That's sufficient, my lord.
What
CW1
sufficient? You are a
CW1
married man. You married her. You married her.
I married and 15 days time, she, my lord, lived in my house. my lord.
Even alone, even as a person, you are required to survive. How have you earned? How do you survive? Where do you get your income from? What is your livelihood? You can't say I am not getting a salary.
Now service is irregular.
This is only for the purposes of avoiding payment of.
Till now, I am trying to take her back, my lord, because my lord, I
That
have
is a
no.
different issue. So long, if you succeed, well and good.
See,
Then
her
you come.
personal interest, my lord, she went away, my lord. That is, my lord, also, my lord, stated by the witnesses, my lord.
That is not evident here. All right, on Thursday we'll take it up.
My lord, third one, next week, any date, my lord.
Next week, all right.
Any,
Next
any date, my lord.
be listed next week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
19.
Yes.